this month omo de beba saa month we bill no na metua saa ka no mentua ene no ba beto meter because cause some use light me dem your member paw meters me beje office man kwaje wakwan hu me fill forms sika metua ye no me nka sika no but me ebi kom me ana me ko kwaje me din na wo me de ko ye bibia me pese metua me bill because me your member pa na since last year 31st January no mede meter no bebo ho ma twa kwan ma ye course ya media mudi meter bebo ho me pese metua me ka no ene so twintwan meter no mudi bebo ho me pese metua me bill no ene so bill ma twa kwan na wo be broker gum so se me de ka na menya de no metua se kwasi a wasa be bill no kura ba 100 cedis a 1 year na yesen enya 1200 ene to da so be kosoro to da so be ba form enti na 1 year na ko fa bill be se 3000
adjustment ne beba
ana me wa bra me bill be se 3000 ana se 4000 me metua na me hwa me yere ne me ma metua wo ka so wo betwam so me mpre ma wo ntwam nyame na ka ne de me na e kwasi be na me bo ka no but wa anya wadwuma yi
okay
wa anya wadwuma yi me de ma baje me meter wo na wo so hwe se beso me so me bill me sa be den e be ka bill ne ma nantia obi afi mi amede menya den me ametimi abele me ho
dabi
na bill no ko bi mai se ba kumpo aba
nka de no be nyina so
me de no be nyina so se ya de madwen aye so me fa ne se month bia no me tia 100 cedis and then every month bia me aka se me kwa ye den say na wutumi do phone fry tua and then me discount phone so a na me tua so that if o kire bi se bill na ba na ma hu se e ka bi wo mu kra na e be ye ka kitwa bi but we bi ni se dia pa na me jira so dia ko tua bill office wo because me nya bill kra da wo me nya bill da edi dia ko so ne de because adwen and side problem ya me facing ko for p face bi en ko for p na no say weekend me ko gina meter no di na say na de na me ko me meter dia bill mbei meter is so be sure so electricity company of Ghana go so bibia e correct nti di enti na me bill ne ma enti me service akwansa we dia me say go me say yam adwuma de yisigi for mo ye adwuma mo bre because mo adwuma no so adwuma ehu pa na omo so debia so omo ko adwuma mo te say ya omo te say central for no omo ni holiday debia omo adwuma omo adwuma na eden omo ye adwuma pa edo som yen ye bo omo aba so wo sa kwan no so but sa na marketing kitwe kwasi eto omo ma se o sa adjustment efri hin sa adjustment yen ti ase o enu efri hin ekofo ebo bena dodo ena kwasi omo no emunyo sa o e ba sika semu a na ma che da nkoye sa o eti se wo discount mu obi so otua mani parent sika na otua na se ebi ni asem na ekosi MTN wona woman no koye na wante ne ho ase no ono do pe na wo ko no ye den okoka
yes
because you wo ka kire no e na ono ye nyina so akoka
and that issue of adjustment no hard
every hin dey adjustment because minim say bill na nyina fa akon because say me bill ye 50 cedis ya bia January na 50 cedis ya I want to anticipate say bia February bet me akobe 55 and I say bia esu betimi ayeden ati aba bia be say 45 cedis the batwa must
yes
it is a okra me bill
betimi akoso betimi but even range no kra no it needs to that high
yes it is a bia me bill 50 cedis I will anticipate say okay e bia February me bill mai and also the infidie ho adwuma no mo ye nti bia possible bia March me bill mai ti February me kwa kotua because minimum say January about 50 cedis in
bet you could 50 at all
I could share 50 at all and I say be a meet 60 cedis at all because it be a bit me akosoro
sure
a bit me so I den aba form
sure
but say man hunu nyama we na afi wo the adjustment ebeba January adjustment amawo na February wo the adjustment ba na obi a me 50 cedis na February adjustment by na me kotua 400 cedis yakosi metia say how come say I am 50 cedis let me jump because of adjustment I could be 400 cedis and 500 cedis me just say how and never me use so no na me use me fa bi me ka ho e bi mpa bi kura sai me yi bi afirim e de na wo say ba ne sa bibia in fact atwetwe ato nti ye besere wo mo ye sa kwan no so na Mr. Kwansa anope mesa chia obiem manager just am boy en kiremu kakra because yenti ne me biase so hu yenti ne me biase bill emma meter bo ho bill emma eno so efiri ho no mo a enema hodo bebre no ha adwen ha adwen adjustment hu sensem eno so problem adjustment dey adjustment adjustment to pressure sen kwesi wona ate brofo me nte brofo
say ye de bia ye pagam kakra
na sa na also opedi obi ade kwesi sa na epedi ade
en na fa na wadwoso no
aha nti omo de bia ka ho se senti enema me yuso na me yusu me fa be me ka ho wo de wo so wo de ni bia ka ho eno kire sen anantumu na
Mr. Kwanza ba nanka ye bisa na all these questions
adjustment no
yes
no adjustment ni de kwesi eku nkofo adjustment no obi me fie bia dankure o me ba miensa nanka boso me so o matwa bela ye 200 series adjustment nti na o mo kan na 10000
na me kire wo se me say na me nimu fie bia
wo de ko office so a o me ka se tua
you have to pay that and sana o ma be hwa ma
that's how they be hardware because end be hardware
because say what bring me bill mentiase and mentiase nti na me buy it is a mentiase nti na me buy that you tell me say ade na me mentiase a ye be penchire mu wo ho no mentua sa aka na me mente me ho ase no emma ansana
o ko office wa
hwe me ye na say
nkofo no mbeko de bia
wantie me
nkofo no mbeko office o de bia because on say ko say na make asem bi say nipa no woman no bill no 2 cities and obetimi atwa for 2 cities man won twa wo eno che say nipa na yeso 3 cities and akoma na 2 cities but wo ko redeem meter no de wunya free nipa no meter no so no fa man no won twa well I na say ECG losses ni na de ade because we nyina no contribute to the losses because say me twa bill 200 cities now be adjustment na ehwiri ko 1600 me da twa
Bentumi
twa at the end of the day I feel be kwa we be ka ECG fast be ka so o ma make losses enyo o ma na pay because me twa de 200 cities now be mama adjustment na ko do 1000 am me dey twa 1000 no me twa no me twa 1000 a enka me twa be na ba 200 cities na me twa these things it was a share and meter say o mo dia man ko fa bill man na no de ene hardware no say bill wo dia man wo de ayi meter man pa no bill so a ema and meter na so forms no failure ya je wo number wo ene udi na simple dia o mo ko digital a tell say ukotwa bill na wonya ayi message our phone say sika say no watua and na every month bia so no o mo send o message say ka say na wo ye den wo de ne sa na man nyina ajai me wife store on say ne meter oyusu me na me kwaji meter no me di ne me number na was nti no o mo send me
message direct
me nkai da sa message le bi ba so o mo send ya na ka makotua me nkai the last time sa message no but na ka fantastic initiative na ka boa ene de wo hwa na message na yeden aba say this month o bill nie nti now we discard to phone so no yeden what it was good but me nim say bi munya de ya ba me de kura na fie de so a ene so kura me da kutua bill no kwesi me da kutua how ye pese atwa ya bill o enye ni pani nyina na sabi o mo pese o mo betua o mo bill o obi won ma ho kire nti na bill no ntimi ntua but ni padodo no aso obi osuroka te se me ametia me suroka me pese metua me bill but mita bill no so ma na bill no mai me pese metua me bill so ma kwa be na me fa so a me kwa kutua hadrin
Mr. Amanfo afrase frɛ but what Elder Ishmael as opposite okan kakra. Hello Elder, good morning.
So good morning.
My yenti what's what hard and saying
Me how this for argument the dika yam fappen trust for that I committee that once
Elder, I don't know so home man say dem say dem mpajo kasara mintie
the one Christ commission who put your bill na yan team through ubel mu ubel buy action okay at the following month ubel who is the bill at the ban na ubel na assist na the bill one na bia ma come Tana na tisi for no mo di di eh oba na ko ko chebe omo ho where you miss you oba ba no man disconnect o ko omo for sa ka o ya ba so no match enti that is for the Messi and conference almost some of them my sanka different company power Ghana akawa one customer
Elder Yedase Mr. Mr. Kwansa ebeba, but before that no memfa se from Rock East Guest House bia eya hoje bia ope baby mo hoho ada for Rock East Guest House omo bia nkrofo ebeda omo restaurant omo ewo bar omo ewo conference or sanso ewo barbering saloon ubetumi ehunu Rock East Guest House ewo Anwem Kwantimpo no so omo eben Generic Block Factory from omo 0540536618 Rock East Guest House was where every day is a great day and as my cow say adom loto for am yede to etiefo ene amanfo nyina animu say enne say oyo bia wo ye interested say wo omo ebedi dwuma as sub agent dia enne anope ya nonkron ma wo nan emo to na duru wo office honum ewo impomam opengo fitting shop no story builder no wo emu ha na wo ana be frɛ 0244365730 ana 0243483633 saranso ena anope me catch the water men kan ope blocks papa e de siudan for woni chem ewo Generic Block Factory obeto blocks ewo wo hodum say pavement hollow solid and now per covet in crampo dia wo therefore ni echem ewo Generic Block Factory koto blocks for ko siudan na oto blocks ewo Generic Block Factory so de be come dia ko e ma free yenje wo hwe obehunu Generic Block Factory ewo Anwem Kwantimpo no so ehon so ye ben Rock East Guest House for yen 0246442742 and 0244194177 anapay when monyam no wutrim into obase wutrim for woni chiremu ewo Superior Hair and Beauty Supply yensie wutrim emfa ma wutrim enye kap obehunu Superior Hair and Beauty Supply ewo adwinase omanyina bro sa no mu ena wo ewo eben Adom Coastal say ye mo wuti mawo yemfa oil emfa for trin man relax ne yentwiti trin man ye kama ye be ne nyina Starling tools ahodo no se obi ope human hair and a synthetic wig ope weave bundles with the beauty ope efa oba wutri hu nkwa de eno ene Superior Hair and Beauty Supply frey 0242449977 and 0555568100 na anapay mamentia wo kakra na Mr. Kwansa eba ya ma wakonya ama won so wasan ene no edi nkomo wo hawo no ene se nkomo yedi na napay yentie won so wo de kakra anapay 0536304072 hello good morning me pacho udini wasem
Gabi stone you camp kramuku
all right yentie
ina wasini adwuma pa mboma ai kayasu ye ti akura honom no o check den ho kura ndu be 5 rooms enso nipa kwa ewum ye me sampe enso na no omo de be obra ya ye 10,000 efi o ye nsu fridge ye nsu he wo honom ye je say ya so light dem na e kawe koba hwan pa no betua musa si ya ntua so mo abetwa light nti hono de ye besre oya mu hwe bibi o homan e da se
Martinus me da se 10,000 nipa miensa me pacho we de be on kind of form wa me se open
na frame wo kala
we de kind of form vem mami nti o no pay
yankupo ishawa ade achebia na mete woni me sekanka in fact na ne hwaya beden ya nsham na minchia mpenekwa wote shiyo sinina ya kana tenzi na sema okano bugu so okana na obi na me mpumechi nti okana na nipa na se we de monyere mo ho ka bi mayanyi won trisa embwa ana me se aden o se ono so call the same thing so okotwa na chip almost onkura smartphone ti omo ncha ama no ana me bi sa na se omo twa ya na o se da bi omo ncha ana me se ano ayedin because gaso nye nyina na ebenye ska so smartphone ana obi wo ho kura sabi o wa kura bi ase na network nsenseminti yam ne kura no na si akwa ba se So see as a who could a smartphone na yen chat for my audio. And yes I deal. MTN 4 years slow omotion no betimi ya fa. Eno de yen nyina ne betimi use smartphone. Ya ma memro afo sabi almost o betimi use smartphone na. If yes slow omotion no betimi ya fa.
All right, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Papa.
Wakola better than the return to Canada when you go to
Maminti wanna pay.
And a power boy, Manisha, Mamcha, Dr. Mamma Benia. Amincha mistake our word. So, assembling yarn and mistake our camera. What was you there and I meet Anna? A month for Benny Mo. Sabi, and Nansuno. She can down, yes, he can won't do. And she send your mistake at her. Many people and the bear 30 million than account now. What's the bear about when you go to your day? I'm not out the month here. I'm going to your tree. What can we say? Day night. About another bear 30 million, 25 million. I better than any panel. I thought for this over the your day. If you say you see the panel, you're the Jimmy Tano, Mumma Shell, from family and yet you see here. And yes, they do better on the Banya day. In Katakata, or mucho mufua, you are not moving at them.
Was on Yaman Sayadasi. Good morning. Yes, sir. I've been committed.
It's shout him in the Mexica. We did the and I was almost like a good.
All right, I was into
Mexica, what can you now? That is for me. I come for. We are come for Papa. Maybe meet my life. You will become 1 year, Homano free, so the good from. When you feel like, no, can I have a 1,000? Me koko tuya ya almost say, Sala, me say, sometimes now, baby, right by no. Say, you should be more Homano. As we call not, ben, I be 25,000. Ade, we can't happen to me there, me 10,000. Now I'm about baby. Mantia, a woman of my baby, I'm saying, look at me, you can't Homano. I don't want to come and say, you should. Good
morning.
Good morning, Minaka.
Yes, sir, Mr. Bala.
Clement Tapala, not a good gesture.
All right, ma mensan enkoso emze openino ahomano etiko memfa ofoforo nso ewa ase 0536304072 eno ena yedi edijuma no obetumi afre na onso aba ahomano eso openino ana ofre na ahomano etiko but good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Kayo, chama fane agma pa mobo. Kayo bomani tamaso.
Mpacho menti.
Kayo, namisi yankano kre. So siya oba liberty no ama no masasa awasafia. Sanse o share na we program wo msa akra one of the station am ta fresh ba. Na samo dembona na obono na mse akenya wa odi abahasi no. So see, I no ma assassin because the big say no do what a possible is massive and so you now so can job for more I say na obi antuminka so see how that is for program here na pa odi abeto so MTN for dia odi abeto so en yakika kan odi abeto so no ai DTL TV so nyawo ana sa odi hujuma antan se obi ehun ye be so yɛn mu saa nanka yɛwɔ sɛ mu di yɛ na mu di adiɛ nti na no fiɛ nka no korɛ ɔno mu bɛda mo bɔ dwuma na kɔso abɔ sɛ adwuma no ma yɛ ne yɛbɛ mu bi anso no yɛn nso yɛbɛka kyerɛ wo especially yɛ ɔso government hospital tɛrɛ so adwuma no deɛ wɔgye ade ato ho sɛ wɔyɛ a yɛn nhwɛ mu yɛ ɔso government hospital na nɔɔma ɛkɔ so hɔ no ɛnyɛ kɔso ɔso government hospital ne yɛ ne hu sɛ yɛ ne hospital ha nyɛ kɔ so hɔ no wokɔ hɔ a ɛbɛ mu nyɛ nhwɛ mu ɛwɔ nɔɔma bi ho na nipa ɛbrɛ ɛwɔ so ha meda wa se so
yes 0536304072 nkomo na ye nyina ye die won so wo die anapai ene sei mamintie won so ha say hello good morning Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacha Woodin.
Pacha from JK. That's a graphic.
JK Mamintio.
The na me nua ba kono ka no. Me brother na o sami tanibi. Omo betwem echa ahoma na free so. Pay 1,000. They say about 3,000. The other can hono yen den esia. Oh.
I see. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And I want to do the banner pay 05363040720322296342. Good morning.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Pastor, good morning.
Pacha Woodin.
Pastor, sir, adjustment no what am I mokano.
Pacha, your first.
Yeah, no, I'm about your husband. That I'm last day 2.950. No, most on the 2.160 after one something after one man I 5 point something. So that adjustment no. It's a money book roughly. Say last them coming to Edim into a motor or mobile or more meter no co. The adjustment that we did me start and be a solid bit you see some your mobile number chia. Some your mobile number chia. But no de me free. You do me siankasa our honum. The adjustment no what am I yes, sir, monka, and almost omoye day, no moye. Yamishra mo, need my pamoye.
Onshira so 05363040720322296342. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayasu.
Yes, sir.
Where you Frederick, make a service we have for Kayasu.
All right,
Liberty for a bomber bus, papa. If you say you may be a moody and a boy for a boy. The many questions, the boss, honorable fires, the center Becca. Now, Minchia, a MPP delegate for you now, Minister, see, I can't hear about the 3 abandoned to Miss Ray, who be out to Abanama for him, Canada, Japan, Canada, Japan, a bit in Adjunamay. I may come in some, I'm feeling for your more energy. Ntwa yi etoda kra wo be fro bi no wo dipa no woni mi dza kra wo fra o me say wo dum mi phone wo and na wo ye band so ye too much nti am fien for mo to mo nyoma yi na me call electricity bill and che dia na me ni pani bi na me ti pani ni fie o mo ba ya o mo say ye aye connection e ho so pani no so won pesa na yo ma no yenye connection bia ho na omo abia di tika di ko fala titi bi e ma ne be hwe o be hwe o se ente santi yanka yen ko omo ho nko di tika na so ense hwe na next time omo ba bi ma ene de court ene be konti omo nko fo ni bi so no no ba bi omo ye no form no enye kwa ti omo enye omo tutuye yi all right,
me that's it. 0536304072 0322296342. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir, boss.
Me pacha Woodin and WhatsApp. Also, can pacha my inti order pay.
The was my family, and Mishra Moy. Mensa NT for the CBS auto credit now. I ought to say, it can say, car could speed. Again, you come my own to him. And let's look at the friends, smartphone, your market, and your papa. It's important to Mono Casa, ye bread, especially empty for Mudawasi.
All right. At here for more framing in Mr. Ramo. I promise you, sir, a nana pay the ECG manager Ebedin Komo. Na anapay opening Arabic comments ewa ha say enti mestre se mo nyina no mo hold on na mo ha mo woni nyina no mo mfa entwen mo aka dodo na ya tibi anapay Mr. Kwansa ewa ha ebima na kwanya na ono so oba na minim so betie enti ono so atibi kakra ewo so odi anu yie ba no obetumi ayi ya no e de amamo na afi mase amamo kwan na mo so mo bisa na nsem nti anapɛ ye nyina no ɛna ye ne Mr. Kwansa eba bedi enkomo. Mzabet, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Mpocha pome.
You want adum na won pa boy.
Bibia ko.
Yamnadum.
Nice one. Open out in ka na ECG say we also oda ya no ha say. Oba and non qua and a buy. Boss, but was it Udino Prince?
But Prince Kojo Amueku.
Kojo Amueku.
Me fancy me Benachim.
Oh, Benachim. Hey, Takwa side.
There be Echo Kipus.
Echo Kipus. Takwa Benachi. All right, I see. Not Kipu yet. Apiosika Benachim then. Oh, okay. I see. Mr. Kwanza.
Yes, uncle.
Mr. Kanyewa Kwanapi. Mr. Kanyewa Kwan. Now say me nyina there. For some time. Ne meter bill ma. I say
by 31st of this month now 1 year.
1 year. Okay.
Me nya bill da. Ma twa kwan sa mama me de me phone ya twetwa meter no afie ma bre. Me se me se obi.
Okay.
Me ko be se me twa bill no. Fa bill mama. Me nya den. Ma twa kwan sa.
It is Mr. Kwanza.
Yeah,
Mr. Karankumpo.
No, Mr. Canadian no.
Nya Mr. Karankumpo. Dodo na so them problem no.
Oh yeah, ro kakra.
Okay.
Mr. Kanimpa. Now, sir, if sir bibi ons mbra nsenka meter no. Otumba mo de meter no we tua ka ma nsenka.
Yes, sure.
I facilitated it nsenka within a day or two.
Thank you.
Now, the same thing as a bill number, you have to go to the same person.
All right. But here we are, me so Mr. Kalusan there.
No,
one person, but others is the same problem.
Yeah, the same problem. What do you mean there? Today by Hanma you say you want this so.
Correct.
And this our call baby na say I don't know when see here. And there the next step. And there the next step before you reach the director.
Okay.
And the final destination is the director.
Okay.
If so call us in CA there, then it means I don't need solution to it. And so call a boy me workers ni biho uko obia onim no uko the next person today bread meet another over struggle mu then you came and reported to me the same issue can come out.
Okay.
The reason is that some of them they are not good in jotting down problems, and then some it can come from any angle. Mr. Canadian is a genuine one, which he paid for in our office. But some of them now, they are not in our office because they go in for Golo meters.
But how will the person know the meter America G or your Golo meter?
And if you come to ECG office and take meter, it means you have negotiation with us. Are you getting me?
Yes.
After the bread, or a different from Akofie na Ekosibisia na pay.
Nice one.
Nti se Ekofie na sekoji na wala ono bibisia etum de kofie na takaka asem.
Correct.
But the kojian kwanche na ko bibisia there entum fan kofie there maba mafo bibisia be than this and that. No, you can't do that. Nti one our permitters are offer baby no one your meters no or he different from obi a wa for baby papa no one your meter no.
But Mr. Kwanza, honestly, me permitter. If I come to ECG, Prince here, ebia minimum that Prince is more ECG. So when I contact Prince can facilitate my main meter. Minimum, all I know is Prince is more ECG. Into Prince the meter nabu or they don't know that angle that Erica that I will have to go to this person before I get to the director. If it's a more problem part, I don't think that because many see the Prince on a target and call me. I know Prince do more ECG. Into Prince I'm a meter or you normal.
By Canada, yaka. This time yenji meter na enfiska entua fiska cash and from any ECG staff. Say uko meter na uko fiska cash my ECG na. Then it means you have doing yourself.
Okay.
Your procedure.
Okay.
And we don't need to go there. And if the ECG ni kwa one meter, mfane this kana man while or process meter na mo. Your process. I don't too cho baby there meter no kwado ma tuaka o day na day. And as a meter no so ne bere mba the same person e be kono ho. Ekono ho no wontu wonjuma and they the next level. Because admit ablem na meter no mean bill for 1 year. I mean too much. how can you pay for 1 year and then want to ask for 1 year? You have a disconnect too. And I don't see
so whose negligence led to on an account?
I can share a blame portion because one
blame portion on his part.
Yeah, no. I agreed. Office one.
Yes.
But I'm branding second meter no who can bam.
I agree.
And bra says I know time minted that book the Mexican bill. Every day, Osiam.
Okay.
On board don't chem the day. And say more than chem, how do I know?
But in say necessarily in your baby or the woman.
Hey, Bill, Unya Bill, also more money Germany.
Okay.
Now, but in time to come.
All right.
Hey, Massa.
So here we are. You are faulting Mr. Cow.
No, I'm not faulting him. That is what I'm saying. We will share blame. The blame is that we, as the office, have to make sure the meeting will be Yaman bill.
Yes.
So we are at fault.
Okay.
That we didn't give bill at a specific time.
Okay.
But the oversight is there. That is why what's what didn't pour on.
Correct.
That is why we give you document to prove. And so you need to come and prove to us that you don't have bill. Then we can work on that. That one, even we can send somebody to go and take your particulars and then work on that. And he knows when I get it, I will deal with it. There's no any stone that I will not turn it.
Oh, okay.
Me mekoto ababia me butu no me hu ababan.
That's right.
Then I'll pursue on my journey. I don't make anything.
Aside, yeah, Mr. Yes.
Anyway, since I know manager there, me
say it one money.
Body no. My bona man there, but the manager can and okay. Me ko jimi tan me ko no hono my office. Say easy do there many bibre fine. Because so much treat me come and say no ka no. Sika bia metwe bia no obi anje sika wo mensem o mama de to me phone so and am de payment bia me ye wo honom enti be ne maye no omo a beginning no me no omo share meter na se na me pay me meter no san kofo na so me no omo de nkomo nti de omo ka share meter na manager ama ma anya den anko no me ya omo se mentwa meter no picture fanse ne ma ye ni nyina but still me hu hwe eno kire ma me kan ye me kan ndi me manager me de bill ne de I want to pay. Because as a good citizen, that is what I have to do. And I say 1 year, na cook for bill kakraka bremia. Me da kutua.
And also be expectant of that bill.
And also the manager can you be share. You be share.
All right. But Prince, mama kasa, but my mom for one program, you know, be or expect a manager to speak. So but Mr. Kwanzaa, this issue of adjustment, explain to me, because or you worry. I know of a house, what be all about 1,000, all of a sudden, or buy 9,000 cedis. What could be say what's adjustment? Adjustment. How? Okay, yeah, what share the following month? No, we reduce about 3,000. What is the problem?
Adjustment is part of billing.
How?
In the PYC rules that they have given us, adjustment is part of billing, and it will always be there for billing purposes. Now, adjustment is in twofold: either adjustment debit or adjustment credit. Now, most of the times when we get the credit, we don't even announce it.
But most of the times, debit no does, because the complaints that have been given, no, or that I received, no.
I'm telling you the credit me more.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay,
credit me more to the extent that people get credit on their bills. Are you getting me? So which they don't announce it now.
But why the cry?
Young blacks.
Why the cry?
Young body to me.
Yes.
So I don't know about genu, and then I don't know no bigger. Yeah, I want some why go for number some better now, sir, Oba, na so dibuana, nkofu yankopo akamai. Yankopo nda watu akomado, and then bibia wa eboko. On can man bread and point there. And and
because I know of a house and I'm meeting my adjustment be mani panic around 4,000 something. You know, Oba no chere nipa why being your credit, but then time not credit, but not the other person is
and to or credit by want. So what do we mean there? When we overbill you,
yes,
we have to pass an adjustment to credit you.
Okay.
When we are underbill you, we have to pass adjustment to debit you or yes to debit you.
So is it a matter that you've all the time been underbilling us?
No, you see, we have reading cycle. You get. So when the reading cycles go like maybe from 5th to 5th, they read your meter.
Yes.
And then a particular time it didn't happen in that manner.
Okay.
It can come in that fold. Now when the meter is also like Nippon Kohono, maybe there's light off and he couldn't read the meter.
Yes.
And then because he could be able to get the meter, this time we do meter, we check picture. So they get all your information and then insert it into the system before you can bill for witness purpose.
Okay.
How channel back day maybe one bill on your meter no on do day on your day. Now since you are trying, Eba Prince in office naked that meter wide there. Obotum don't convert. Obotum will actually meter nankasa or they about the time we read you know.
We feel office
one man.
Okay.
Then they get it. Okay. So when we read the meter, now we didn't get the readings well. It can also happen. If Nipakuna all read meter no, he reach there. Na nenu ana site no meter no but so na we huni here. It can also come with that problem. There's so many factors that can come with a debit adjustment. Indeed, that is why when we build you and it's wrong, we can also pass adjustment for you. Into bo office, bakado mimite me bury or Sunday they done the makache prince. One call no fee. No one can call meter no there. Readings man order. Oko na so to some para there. Indeed do them readings now. Reading prince have to come and work on it instant and then pass adjustment for you. But we have about 60,000 customers.
Okay.
In our enclave, Sekioso. When we talk of Sekioso, we have about 9 districts. We have about 4 regions.
Okay.
Ashanti region, Central region, Western North. That is the area that we operate.
Okay.
So that 9 districts, 60,000 customers. All of them, if you think that the debit adjustment goes through to them, can we stay? We can't stay.
Okay.
A few, and it's alarming, and it's a problem because my own budget. If I want to pay my bill, I will do my budget for that month, and then I have to pay. And so when the thing comes and then it comes above me, what do I do? Now, if the bill so bad, not so kakraba, you know what you consume because you have used the electricity for 1 year. And you know exactly what you consume. Come and ask. Maybe who be our better maybe abakakraba da office on. Me who be da. Obiamba that maybe me 5,000. Only boni 90 sinimu. 95 or 94. Na boni be to road. Ono kote
Tadi.
Takrade.
Okay.
Out simple office and the way obey and wade. Then maybe no in front of so 5,000. Be na ba 1,000. And you don't understand why the bill is supposed to come 1,000. That was 90s. And was my and the young concussion if you until you couldn't if you ascertain true. And that the thing was under reading. So we have to come back and bill him again on 4,000 something. We'll do 5,000 but 4,000 something. You see, this is a sincere thing. But I'm obeying one more office that there manager maybe about 2,000 and about 50 cities. No, I didn't see that.
But then say you yourself will not do it.
Me?
Yes.
I born only me. You are
a Ghanaian.
No, I'm a Ghanaian.
Yes.
By different blood. No, I'm justice. I see. I don't fear things. Mr. Carr knows me and I'll tell him.
Okay.
When things comes and sometimes they call me, I tell him, no, my buddy, I don't have anything to do with this. No.
My buddy.
It's and it's not sincere. It's not something that we sit here and because especially my mom was she do crazy. then you come tell my mom there maybe 8,000, which I will pay, but on your tetra until the same thing I'm trying say also, which I've been here since 96.
Wow.
Yeah, remember say Mantum.
So there's a pure.
But I remember saying one.
Oh yeah, but there's a because from 96 to date.
Yes. Me kwa na maba, you know. So and I started deep like Biaboso, you know, before I moved to BBNE and then coming back to yours. So what I'm saying is that we are not here to bully anybody. I mean, when you come to my office, if anybody want to cheat you, I'll bring the person down in front of you. I will not wait when you go, because why should you be that? Let least hear me deal. Or your man free now there. Now what maybe say I know. The me caretaker make sure for some time, even not for my life, for some time. It mean treat to be a year. Me kofia ebahame because Adam may receive it back. If I do bad things here, I will receive it back. You see, so please, when everybody have a problem, he can come to office, and then we'll solve it for him. If he's not satisfied with it, I will direct him to where he's supposed to go and get a better explanation for that. Yeah.
Sir Prince, na epede kakra.
Oh, okay. Me da see before akonya na idea mam. Na person me work me chere customers no. Customers and how wo permit officer wo nsa beka. I was a process and say manager can boss din can no. Process na stages. Eba you come and do the registration. Na the 100 Ghana cedis. Eda to phone no do. Inti customer service relation officer no or office one. Obe register need 200. But before when I denya Ghana card photocopy front and back. Eba na fill the form na need 200 cedis. From there no ba sign am estimator. No akọ ofie. No akohwe nyom appliances say use. Now we state ni nyina wo form no do. No so approve. So approver. No akọ technical officer or DTO. DTO by sign am back. When you OTP no for the OTP no buy no. Bomber na fa meter fee 1,350 for single phase. Now there are two types of meters, single phase and three phase. Mostly single phase are used for residential purposes. Now three phase are used for commercial purposes. Mechanical and sawmills and that. And you know, so more assign or ye na say a friend saying estimator no oba na obehwe no bibia okay e discount no to phone that down anapana see am between our friend say discount to that you ready no initiate payment na ye into initiate only initiator or that will approve phone no do na we that complete from there na DTO by assign meter na my contractor no aboba am but customer sees there this process no what into they go in for that meter na yabo din ekwa don ko no as a legal meters no we are hunting them down. Quack electricians who are they are installing those meters for the customers because of our processing on money for processing a 1 hour man. What I say next year no way back last 2 years nanka obo the meter now we have access to register for you then you pay find akọ na electrician abo amount wajo 1,003 yen so eba be registration be say the same 1,003 na ma ECG na ECG with time they replace that meter no the amount office because the accuracy of that meters no and yet the ECG there no and yet that meters in there to be frank the accuracy is more or less cra in you know say in the meter no polo na say that time na chance one time so anka e be between the same amount na my ECG na ECG be replace near the amount but this situation why buy won le okwa for them kwan no do na why no wa nti si obi na wabo man other at American as na yeah exercise bi obi ara be bani fie mo de wabo the meters no so obaji office now yeah office there that one no e betumi abane ahwe say e fa sesenu na etua da on e betumi a check na edu stage na we do because say there ma mystical ke ne dem be fine this is why you to go double manager no be hu no kare o manager meter na nyame adoma wa gba amamu but bill na asat na on by but one say o follow it one na wodi na nyim na oye na onye too late obetumi abane ahwe completing stage e bia contractor na wakobo no final eyi na oye na onye nti on ba database ni nti di tun be assign contractor no nkɔhwɛ stage na we dunu so ono no on ye ne portion na on complete na me so me ntumi bill because on na complete am me ntumi ya bill no
ma mensa no go back to manager. Yes, sir. Nana Nzonzu Ahene is listening to you. Nana Elliot Payne. This issue of estimation.
Yeah.
Still a better clarification from you because on things maybe I say. Just once again, explain yourself.
Yeah. Nana, yeah, that's it. But American there, adjustment is part of the billing. Adjustment, you want twofold. Credit adjustment, which customer no, yeah, the neck electricity for the neck out. Debit adjustment, customer no the ECG account. Now, customer no electricity for what the neck out in terms of adjustment passing or because of adjustment passing. What so? But you can there. Se customer no so over there. The trees to food in the kawa. Or today there. Ebua ya beleno. Ya beleno big. And to see a beleno big there, then definitely we have to work on it for him to get the benefit or the necessary correction. Now when it comes there, so it can come with so many reasons on that one. When it comes to a debit means a ECG call. Now that one also can come with so many reasons. Some are a bit one man really know you're fine, because we couldn't see the meter well. A bit one man you're below under because it's a human institution. So it will be 0.5 or 0.3. When the difference of the two, when it comes, you have to pay. It is only on proof that I haven't read or my meter haven't read to this level, what you are billing me, then we'll have to go back and then take it. I hope this one can be clear to everybody because this one I've taken my time.
Okay.
Minim se Fantino sani mu edu kakra.
Neda Fantino no we don't there. Just as you said no. A man full of problem. And one thing I mean when you there, education from the side of ECG to our customers is also a missing link somewhere within this enclave. So I will also urge you even once a week or twice.
Hey.
Not twice a week or once 2-3 weeks. Then fine, you educate the public because this issue of light out, though even if our bill come at first, what the bill never my action will bill him or which or a part it can happen at any time. But the education. Me one thing I mean maybe have some mere communication person into there. One thing I've seen the more you communicate, people get the understanding, and then even your grandpa they will rather fall on you. So I think from today we will have to be engaging you more.
Yeah.
I think, and that this one is also coming from Percy. Percy works with the FDA, and one also a problem. Percy is saying there he more or less Percy was on your side. He is of the view that the energy ECG staff will use to go and review underbilled meter. It's not same energy they will use to review overbilled meter, for which I think is correct.
It's not correct.
It is.
It's correct for his words. In ECG domain, it's not correct. The reason is that when we go and maybe for instance if we have overbill you and then because you have categories of stages in terms of billing, the same thing when it's descending, it will pass through that the same calculation to descend.
Because I don't know whether the person has experienced, because let's say go to ECG and complain over billing, you will regret go and pay here. Nothing we can, like that thing is happening.
Oh no, it's happened because as a human institution, I cannot challenge you because I will do this and then somebody will do that. So that one I will not. But the procedure is the same thing. You get the step that you make to reach 10,000. If you are descending it, you descend the same stages.
Yes.
Maybe category might be 500 and above. You go to this level. 300, you go to this level. 200, be tempting. And it's not human being who is doing it. The thing have been feed into system, the computer. So if you understand the computer how it works, you cannot say that do this and then give me this result.
So how do we address this challenge?
No, one is that educational candidate is true, you know, and as I told you, another day, for instance, I'm from Nina, and baby cry, and I reach office around 10 o'clock. Yes, as a man, Ashanti region, one baby, you get. I were there up to by 7 something p.m. because somebody have issue, and my swimming for no queer won't so I have to go there personally. I have a meeting. After meeting, I have to rush to the place. We do on there for something, and I have to work. So I work late in the night and then came back. And the education, yes, accepted there. None amba to Debra was it because at least once a while a day, at least get but 1 week or 2 no on the internet.
Once a week, 2, 3.
No, 2 weeks quite too much.
I see.
No. Since I'm trying to beat into how do I do? Until been on a pool from me, I'm on somewhere.
Yeah.
And if so, I end up with a man going to meet here, that's a bomb from a Kamanka. I cannot honor the invitation in German. So it's tedious. Okay. No, a man does better apart from this, and one papa from me back on.
Okay. There is this problem also.
Yeah.
Let's take it that I've come to rent a room from your house. So I'm living with you. But ebia me pede manso me nya me personal meter because shared meter more at times will create problems. Is it a matter that I will have to come to you once again for my meter? Once I've come, no, then they will tell you go do this. If you're not etimono ekwa no what bill no or then say well we can't provide you a meter. Whilst me, I have not used that meter.
You are who?
New person.
And about new person, you don't have burden. You see, one thing beside that, as we all landlords and tenants, we do a lot of mistakes.
Okay.
Now, okotuna a firma, or you don't have power in the house there, and landlords know what are known there. When they take their rent finished, they think they are finished. It's not true. If we were pipe or honoma, they are responsible for piping system. Okay. They are responsible for water, all the utility. Like first time nanka phone, your mobile phone, nanka phone, all of them. The landlords are responsible.
Oh, okay.
Because you own the house. If you don't give permission to your tenant, he cannot go and bring the meter. Look, my brother, takrade. I'm going to go meter via mobi. We will treat the bibia. Even if you want to die, on a meter. So he cannot allow us to put the meter there. Who am I? Do I have burden?
No.
And the tenant, do you have burden?
No.
So the landlord cannot give. If he don't give you permission, you cannot.
So here we are. The landlord has given the permission.
Yes, the landlord has given permission. Then he have to make sure that all the requirement he meet the requirement.
Okay.
If you know because he's responsible, he have to make sure that he pay the bills.
Okay.
And then when the person is living with a debt, he is going to be responsible.
Okay.
You cannot tell me that we to go room. No, if you know what I cried, until when there's a debt, they should go and ECG should go and change the person. Most of the times when we come here, like you also, you tell the landlord will come and so me body, this and blah blah blah. And then maybe if you are no what if you're on way to into a and then this and that. So whose fault is that?
The landlord.
The landlord. When I show me bakunu we, and there's one out there no because when I didn't better, I'm not the better. Me the bakunu. You see, but so elsewhere, and this things is simple issue. Even not elsewhere foul, Côte d'Ivoire. When you go there, they have civilian bus, which they go out with it, and there you that you are owing ECG for 1 month. They will come and remove everything. You apply for a new one. We have that loss, but we have become flexible with that thing that we put it down. Yes, we have it. Wow. When you own to the extent that we can we think that we have to come and remove your service. When the service is being removed and then the meter is removed, you have to apply
for a new one.
Yeah. It is up to ECG to decide whether to give you or not to give you. Because we are Mambweni. Why am we moving to 2 meter? You don't honor your words that you pay the bill as you're supposed to pay. And we don't use that thing. We don't tell where you Mahama. Oh man, where you Mr. Massa. We tell you. It's not true. It's not that. Before they remove your wire and then your distance, they have to terminate to the meter, the last level in the machine. You get, but we don't do that because we know that the customer will come and then request for it again. That is why we don't remove it from the system. Until you were lost by brand new thing, my dear, you bet Tinchina.
All right. Our maminte listeners for some few minutes now, membro. Until sir, also Okaya who was here. Mr. Kwansa, opinion of that ECG no ewa and I don't know aiding community. Also, we say who have been checking no castle question be 0536304072 0322296342. Yentie kakra also wasimbisa. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Men ne omono your friend Kayaso.
Oh, Kayaso, I don't from Jubro.
No problem.
Yamenka o mamincha o ne Mr. Kayina Adam ni kujukuru mileku. Na membo papa no so abaso afi oma ama anoma koyi efa light on family ante atinka boni bia bibia da din sani ehwe no ti me bona baso ano kai o mon ko so mo yen san fama yen me da se.
Thank you. Hello, good morning. 0536304072 0322296342. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, Massa.
The Pacho Woodin and Wasam why?
I'm a did what
Mr. Barton Yentio.
What's it?
Mr. My Yentio. Can June good radio on a kind of Natiman Kawa?
What you want to me to find out the
Bisano.
You best say, I don't know, man. Or what did you let the actually you will be not for nothing, you know, the apple fruity.
Osenia oba fix say bill meter no ma on ye hunu biem but na oba ebeje ne bill. Okay, ye bedin komo 0536304072 eno ena ye di edin komo am so onua no wa drop ye nhwe ne enti ofofro nso asem ewa ha 0536304072 but Sir Prince ma mintio na ye breko na memfa what about memfa we yemfa we.
Hello,
good morning. Me pacho Udin wasem why
like within the second can be atano
my intio
the part me plan back on say me meter e wada atano that be I can na ba no me the course ba mi ko bi obia o ye ba befe no ma ba befe am teacher akra ye so no ma so the next time on ba no ma sa be twem kwa am teacher akra no ma befe say the way am you have so ade bu form the problem no mo he no mo use man.
But this one there I will think say sa nipa no ba ya odi sika kakra no man no why wouldn't you have gone to ECG that kakra no to pay. And I'm the I think I know so get a bit several right. But Sir Prince, my brother is possible for so hey Charlie, call us. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho Udin.
Yo, me pacho your friend Isaac.
Isaac.
That's a free yo.
What's him?
Pacho yo. Welcome there before. We through this money there. Nah, no more for so long time. I'm like bro, I'm come back. I'm going to say about 1.43 billion. Bargain shop. 1.43 billion.
1.43 billion.
Aye.
Hey.
No Makasa.
ma me ko.
Wo say wo shop no way?
Na wo. But o say
wo shop no way?
Wo susumini te na na ma mo junction so a wo ko hospital. We go so on left. Yes in store dan bi wo.
1.43 billion. Na dey
1.43 billion. Omo print ma me so a. Yem print ma me. E twa me light in be 4 years ni. Enya me na ya adom na manya adwuma fofo bia na ya. Asa be no so me yire ni me ma.
Oh.
E dey ni bedi.
One ana
masa me ko ho o manager we ho. Me ko ho e dey me dosi nyina akwa o me nhwem ne ya manager na say ya se me de ka 1.43 billion na me nkonkotua. Me enko me dosi ni mu me je meter ni yetu. Ba kwa na e wo ho no. You sue for na residential because me here shop no me nyam fan here adwumanti. Edumu besre me no moda ho kakra. Nti later na me ye no manti nyantingina ma ya mfa nya commercial. Ti later no me kwa kwaje fofo because na ye dan wo me shop na chi kwa na me pese me de ma rent. Nti ese me na nipa no your friend say light. Ana me ko e no mo say o mu ni se me de ye adwumanti sa na tie dia. Me ngi ni meter no na me mfa nya commercial na me mfa odu ano residential na ma dan no. Nti ye nipa na obebo no wa anya ne sa njo interchange no. Nti omutwe mya nkofo na omubeda ho no ma ka beda ho nti ye say me mfa man ha bi na me ifesu nti eba na eba me mfa say 14 cities. That 14 cities na eba no. Eba ya nti me mfa say so multiply by 3 years krampa. At least we benya less than 1,000 Ghana cedis. Wo de ka odu ano ho a. Wo de me mfa say akosra enkoso be 1,500 and I say 2,000. I'm a money sad then about 14 cities because we say a service charge. I said yeah. Bill no go buy. I say me dey ka 1.43 billion. Manager na tell me say be kaya be 4 years ago. Nti me shop no ya twa light ni mu da be si lewo. I mean to me find adwuma. But me I know wo ne dey. In fact, I me see enka no kwe. One be kasa fine. You see I tete so am I say abedu 50 something thousand. 50 something thousand chief. Wo dey hwe ade amaye adwuma makiutua o tanka me nye adwuma no na me ntua kada kra tanka me tua sa ska na wo.
Ra, me that's it. 1.43 billion. Hey! But you got some serious okay. What my men phone in CSC na men call manager ho. Na afi yenhwe da yemfa emra awie na 1.4 billion. Sir Prince.
Yes, sir.
Kakra be na modi jaye.
Kakra modi be jam mo say.
Because my spouse of one eye.
Say if he takra den ya ba be some say for.
Yeah.
Irrespective of their issues, they should come to the office.
Okay.
Manager is available and must say available.
Okay.
What I say, just that when they come to office, they will meet the front desk for Lady B. He will direct. So I didn't know, Bruno, so you will channel it to either me or manager. My manager is the final. But sometimes when they come there, they see the security men on the front gate now, and they try to explain their things to them, which is not the best.
Okay.
Now, OKSMB meter now we say wako open separate meter. And so ideally, manager or candidate will come back and say, "Almost as I walk out now, be fear no code meter property near and ya would ya." Idea a year and say, "Will you be what now open say to?" But why do you say meter and won't watching? Okay, let's
take it that I'll negotiate with the landlord. Na ebia me rent no me de bia tua na ya tie free.
And then man ideally the meter should be applied by the property owner. Nani din ba do because who do din ba na wo kwa issue ba na ye kwa landlord meet me aka say enye ni din na o meter no so wo na register and yembe hold responsible. That time so when you available. Okay, ideally em brand the landlord has to be the one facilitating for the meter. Okay. In case of your absence, we can hold him responsible for that issues in terms of debt aspects.
All right. Okay. Mr. Kwanza.
Yes, uncle.
Kakra ma edbe ka ona yina no ye dia asori wojumadi do.
Sisi yakọ dry season.
Yeah.
Enti ye totuja na ya hwe. And then ahomato so na ya bo hombodin de yenko na yemfa yansan kakra ye be friend tisifo ntempa na oba behwe na oyamo today be enjoy light in every day no ye modern into an everyday man. Because this year no light this year. Consider every day, 24 hours. Occur off within a few minutes, seconds, no house and back. And the one chair scan mine, near from more light no man. You don't want to say the wire support him.
Okay.
Let me say na.
Meso madam ase se mo bae. Opani a wote den kan opani a ono na eda electricity company ano ewo Mpotem ase Yura Albert Kwansa. Ena Urban so one Yura Prince Kojo Amueku ena ebae. Me da omo nyina ase. And it's time for sports. Bugatti ewa ase. Buga
boss.
Anabia menya mama brother ko.
Ye monitor pa Professor Dai ka.
Ajuma nasi. Oh, that only question here. Any question. Ni na boss pay abi say no. Okay. Buga na menche. Kakrebi na msanse. Emeni koye pa na bi se wuhia. Yes. It's very important pa. Yeah, wuhia. Yes. Na ene UEFA Champions League. Yes, ene UEFA Champions League go. Na Manchester United omono say yakobo buga me sama my free Champions League no be free na for any bana edi bi misro fa human mame William Phantom na omono abenya asem eti we dey was nti fa human mame na yeti enyu kana yenti Champions League nyom no na yensha sesanse ene Champions League ewo ho gidi ene mema ne bobo mema no ebobo sanse UEFA Champions League dusa na Manchester United supporters na so mada eti abusia saratie ene yanya trasi yedi akudemu sam enso adeba na yehwese de enema enso betimi akọ yabi otuma ene UEFA Champions League game enso onti ye bana ye the fixtures enso atimi daba na yehwese de enema enso betimi akọ awotwimade so eti UEFA aye Champions League now yentie na yemfiri kakre na yenhwese de na games no enso betimi akọ the moment ya obeti this anthem no na it tell say something they come say biba UEFA aye Champions League no and the games enso betimi to twa na and say the setiem sebo aye 3 we tell bantemo we aye 3 tari at the 3 tari be game enso temi atwe aye kra chamati omni club and game no enso betimi to twa sebo 5:45 ye benya bodo creamed omni pobokwa ye fe Manchester City and so te peponi ye benye tima ye fe aye chese aye Copenhagen o me Napoli and so te pay and tam so game 8 p.m. and e beti bi to twa and so kwan as a San Siro aye Giuseppe Meazza ye benye Inter Milan o me tima ye fe Arsenal and so te peponi when say 8 p.m. and this particular game e beti mi abaso ye benye Olympiacos omni Bayern Leverkusen at the peponi ye benye Real Madrid omni AS Monaco and so te Bayern Tamso and so Santiago Bernabeu ye benye Sporting CP omni Paris Saint-Germain and ye Beijing and so te peponi and game way Tottenham belusu na Tottenham abeta Tottenham Stadium omni Borussia Dortmund at the peponi te be Tottenham ebelusu sankemwe sanse ene Tottenham omo form no aya besama ene man koyem form tema ye fe ayetima ye fe Tottenham enti against aye Dortmund no ene ebere ba ajabantima ye fe Tottenham Hotspur abanche fe Kudus and squad no ene man koye enform mo kra na ene beyetima ye fe Villarreal omne etima ye fe Ayas enso te peponi we aye UEFA aye Champions League games ya ene be temi yan tota ana mete wansam enso tama awo twemode so ene sawko FA Cup awo England one game abetimi ya tota aye Salford City omne aye Swindon Town enso na te peponi we aye games ya ene Tuesday ye games ya petimi ya tota na ene manso timi akoyi etwe enso kan efo ba mete wansam no enso tama awo twemode so anya seketaka na amemfo we ntotwa opania ye fit aye chesem aye Alex Ferguson when aye Arsene Garada former coach Tima ye fit aye chese Arsenal wasi ye mfo ntotwa wasi soba afkore totwana chese aye country South Africa ina wobia aye against omaya ye fe Morocco South North Africa countries ya wobia against omo aye South Africa wobia against omo East Africa especially aye West Africa countries no wobia against omaya ye fe aye Morocco enti Morocco fortune na teams at this particular aye tournament mo so no na chese omo enemies ye ba nanti sa epasa wanka sabeti ma feto wase ombo Morocco for so wase Morocco for ya tepa na enkanyesa enyesa omwaka so mo karata ekempia final po ekobutire to sunset Morocco se Morocco pokema na se rafi anti infringement bi ketowi in favor of tima omo fe Morocco oh na man first attack asa yanka se on be se Morocco 40 yanka se Morocco for be so much and as a calf abe se Morocco for so temete aye this particular AFCON eti wasi orje oboma so sa wohwe aye chesem aye organization anima omusu de kwakwamo awo this aye chese ended AFCON na eswane pa etwe aye penia ye fa as a winger former coach Tima ye fe Arsenal e wote sasewe enso tia tutwa metewa sam enso tamao e wotwemade so ene CAF enso tima suspend penia ye fe papetiao coach Tima omaya ye fe Senegal ene ente na CAF enso te it's essential enso tima ba se bia matches band and as a fun almo penia fero it is a papetiao coach Tima omaya fe Senegal enso enten epetime para ya hwesere ma enso petime ya totwa eti update enso and esebeto ya 2 pm ya the latest update enso petime ba na anyone so time kama e wotwebode so enya sanketokra eti sentiment na chapa no yes starting program yes started introduction enya wiepe any question ya obia na wotiapa na question de ba for controversial question bla question ultim say yes obitia na cheso politiko ebia Martin against Barca how many matches and no matter who's a campaign one earning the biking right on those are deep questions historical questions na ya bisana yes we team answer one say team is a question be na omiti fear coach na obisa sa question enso tamasa di pakon so na ebia nso teme kama enche yet new segment adeba chance enche Ghana yakobo friendly match after friendly match no ya we prepare for World Cup eti Ghanaian players aboard womo performance enso konkan Bugatti enso be mo adwuma eti sa segment no ye pentai de be hye na chese de man so teme kama je ebuga we media surprise pa o say nice idea
yeah fine
yes we are for
o say who place
yes o say who place but Ghanaian place abroad omo ya de no na ye dey to for bia so to make man etibuga wo fie de ye nche fi samai
wa me da say so pop wi am no sem kakra me nsa kan officer no pem ba hu adme wi na Africa so na pam for better say na afi o mu de ade acha bia morning show no so ato so say wonim so ro mo de Ghana Premier League so far NASCO nominees na bana so far the best player of the month of December na ba player friend is Abdul Razak Salifono and Ampanifo is the month of December penny as I could away the body one was roughly you call the coach of the month of December called my coach your friend is Karim Jutonunso a coach at the Kumase as an Sansom and a goalkeeper of the month of December also called my goalkeeper friend is Mohammed Kamara Nonso a goalkeeper at the Kumase as an Japonana pay Yaron 7 banana himself Uramum and so the Ghana Football Association communication that on and a Kasama Adamaga Football Association friend is Henry Asan Chima Chum is Nagopoya Dumna Wakapa Yekwe or did you say any say yetimi chance ye na yes Panama yes England as a Croatia e kwambia so ye betuma qualify na kwanim yete Henry Asan Chuma and a Kasa Adamaga Ghana Football Association.
It's not going to be easy, but we want to start well. Otto believes one of the things that would do the magic is to start well. Mr. Bunsen, we also know that it is possible to make it to the second round of the competition, even if you finish third. So that's another route that you fight for the first two spots, having in mind that you cannot.
Yeah, you say yetimi extra see you oti asa nessa adrebe ha de bannachi and e buza do pani je say we take get me a Otoado John Pinson coach the better this one first so take get me eboa o so mponi fo woni say that be o say ye di amafo ma be come because what up na ye kwani there your biggest competition oti asa ye do Otoado nko na e kwa ye be bu ye nwani so abiri yen ye di opani ni biem.
Things that hard work is what will take us there. He's already working, and I like the effort he's putting into the build up to the World Cup. Every time you call him, he's somewhere, either sitting in a train, visiting a player. Sometimes he doesn't want the information to be out, but the key ones, he wants us to put it out. So he's working a lot behind the scenes. And these days, scouting is not only about being present in the stadium. Scouting can be done via softwares and other platforms, and they are always working. I also know that there have been conversations with the leadership of the FA to also strengthen the technical team. He has made certain, requests to the FA to beef up a bit for the World Cup, because this is the biggest competition, in the world. So you must always put your best foot forward, and that's what he's trying to do. It's unfortunate that
yes, I don't know this Otoado nko so ni achi dia ha be buya me ho akire ye pa no and the service of pony that been a squad ni na no just a World Cup na ekoi squad ni na betima bo say Nyankopon ya adoma 1st of June and a Black Stars squad ye de be World Cup ni na so ebetim ababeto dwa ye tie Henry Asan Chumbium
1st June.
By 1st June,
yes.
By 1st June, our final
by 1st June, all the participating teams must name their final squads.
Okay.
For the tournament.
But you can also have standby lists just in case of injuries between.
No, as soon as the competition kicks off, you can't change.
No, but between 1st
so you
June
have provisional.
We have
the provisional.
That's what I'm asking. Yeah.
We have the provisional period that is in May, where you can name 50 players, 70 players, 80 players. Depending on what you want to do. And then by 1st of June, you select your final squad from that provisional list.
Okay.
And that is mandatory. They expect final squads to be named by the 1st of June.
And until 1st of June, as a Ghana squad, the World Cup, we are not to be next year. So, we say Ghana Bank and a year for America. See, Nangopon Yardman squad in the corner 1st of June next year. Now for 12th June, and after Ghana, you better go to America. Near West, you better go more than the World Cup. But you tell me, in
So once May is over, it means that these players will start coming down, or depending on where we will camp, then they will start arriving. Maybe one at least or two friendly matches in June, and then per the regulations of the tournament, we are supposed to arrive in the country of host at least 5 clear.
Yes, there was a TV content next year. The better had any service for if we Ghana Football Association president as the communication that first Henry Asan Chumna Martin and Ghana say attention. Now your back clap with you some kakra or penny and it and so Nana Apren Chronom and IMC chairman. Now what them said they say go team the ordinary one tell said that the piano abribio Messia Kabiana we free for them detail what you say over the got to Jeff and anymore responsive biama nani abre pa.
Go with the ocean, Papa. Obi to gas wanji. 8 minutes what was so ya company ya chop pay ya ma efi ya ye but I mean just the papa processor point na na papa processor ko e ba bia ya complain ya ko officiate na ko bia ya complain there's a many nyina ya de betu ja so say bia you go see ya ya ba ya ka wanse you chop complain also the fine say ba ya responding
ya so wona na gino so akyem se wo ye Kumasi asana go support obese woni die mu ase se referee for ni dige na so mo ani ya manya wadun se o de mra show nsem kwa kobu referee ti ase e ba ni sa na game na ye bo no na o de ani mu tutu form to ye supporter manya wadun se wo tre won sa e di abo referee da yenti na na apron krabiam
official so no count sa de be trip so international who be in fact Ibia shall exercise referee be to Congress. The original court was supporters with the original court. I am a class with the court. And yes, and we will be on function. So, Papa, you will go attack Bibia. Is a football and man over the age. And when I answer, and maybe to say, we're doing changing my at the program, and 1, 2 hours to the local.
Yes, I didn't tell you support a man. You want to say, oh, Kobu referee. They didn't put out penny. Who can survive 4 years? Money, and who saw him pound what you say, 2 4, sorry, Kings project about or Barbetis Stadium, Sama, Kumasa, and I got a court as a dressing room, baby, baby, come on, here we some Kings project. I give one answer or him pound, and then we see any sorry when he said over to us. Now, why you do not baby, a sabri, aquacudro.
Flora Nana, you know, only the case project. One Nadia, become time of reference, and permanent anyway. Need to make a for need to be a American. Even as the supporters, who should have one, I would have one. Oh, so you have it, I am no fish, I am moving from. And we also remember a former a meet all standards. Until for so stands near that
well, so when you say Kumasi Asana Korogo, I am si chama first and not when Kara Moten can only say over Kaisa, be 2-3 years Mudiana, Korogo team now with a former coin, so at some moment, so automatic no, Ecosia can took us some, nice word to know ya talk, not Nipa Bondi Bitam Sekai, Echo War, support event of Pole, and fit come no flat and 4,000 so. Now him Sakobe 6 months Munie, as some more court and there, not yet 2 that's now you're 12 in some P. Now it was our premier for the lawyer, Sabu Quanum. And the Casa, the back was going to Timmy Topani, say, par court case, yes, he's saying, you support the Basomu Tier. They say, I did not take another story, some course. Omugusudia Samana, yet your penny event lawyer, Sabudu Club is a 100 pay, Yampamo NC.
I work for the past 7 months or 6 months. Now, maybe I could be a treasurer. Then I say, as part of a visit volume, there's a forensic test. Put it forward on any other officer. Open your whole report in the last year. Ever born master.
Yes, now so we have vivid evidence. Now say who's the court in some years, some piece, some does. One for gonna cases, now I'm calling my Quacho, Panana, Fay, Pity on a property, special good morning, some does. So the best see, and now we are a bonum and a better now for the 2 wise men. And they are good young Sunny Pino, so as sounds all about the multiple of Ghana pay. So the running seminar at the Ever day at the Boate Frederick with my professor Poo got tea. I'm out.
No class family say P&K Closet. Eya boutique ya. Ewa nimi ye papa. Enoti Jimidi. Omoton. Niema papa ne boafo. Ewa Western North region ha. Ntade ahodo a wode be kwa asore. Parties any occasion bia no. Obenya bia to omo nchen. Omoton. Mma ene mema ho niema nyina. Ena enkran so. Ebi te say ladies dresses, men's wear, bags, shoes human hair wigs ahodoɔ nkɔdaa ntaadeɛ ɛmmaa ho nneɛma bi a wohia ɛna afei jewelries nneɛma yi yɛsan tɔn wholesale kyerɛ sɛ wobɛtumi abɛtu bi na wakɔtɔn P&K Closet ɔmo ne akyiri koraa hwehwɛ ɔmo akyiri kwan ɛwɔ sahwiyɔ so ta no so ɔmo bɛne Anwona Chrome Junction no na ɔmo ne Agumens Star Electricals ɛwɔ Dankro na mu Accra ɛnso bɛhu ɔmo wɔ Tabora Junction ɔmo ne Victory Bible Church edi enum hwɛ frɛ ɔmo wɔ ahomatrofo yi so 0594 985197 and 0248 186530 P&K Closet your style our passion.
Mobile banking dachi no abba. Ghana Pay, a mobile wallet, Bank of Ghana, any association of banks at Jiatumu. Obetimi access by USSD. Ana mobile app bia. Cell phone niye jam. Android, iPhone, any phone a wikite biano. Obetimi access Ghana Pay ewoso. Nya Ghana Pay ne. Na se winya Ghana Pay na. Obetimi dia sendisika akoma obia o use mobile money bia. Ghana Pay no. Obetimi dia sendisika ako any bank account bia so. Obetimi dia to call credit. I want to share. I'm Fiman Rural Bank. Your success, our pride.
Madra one, Braha, Midemu Pana, wouldn't Toby Bria Petty Hasano. And I feel you done had Jastrana. One woman was the Biaso Honto, Media Tempests and 20 in every demo.
Yeah, Mira, Mr. Fatame, why? My Madrid is on 20 crafty order. Every say, Messia Majunka, 3P garlic mixture, Mira, and no one may last top.
Nasa 3P garlic mixture, the Biamekan was them to no for Tingy. They say they want a two for
Mira, may say, minimum 3P garlic mixture, no may fit your Como Haunina. At work chakra.
Piwak Natural Clinic and the 3P garlic mixture abajas 3P garlic mixture e bobre bo ho ba e wo huru mu yi Arabia film wonom 3P garlic mixture e bo ma moja die fusane wo ni paduane mu enti say stroke asthma IMT and menopause akuma yare e boja no huso tawe wani so tabri wo sane ona taye titriti ana ya na twetwen wo honam taye obasabasa bodura ne 3P garlic mixture 3P garlic mixture and a make come for amount kai say 3P garlic mixture yanwa a garlic munia de noa ya twetwen yemfa bibia mfro a pure garlic extract 3P garlic mixture food and drugs authority ahwehwe mu agya to 3P garlic mixture ubenya bi wo Ghana fa na nyina gina say ubenya bi wo Philomena Fosia drugstore Esther Arthur drugstore Brad Charles drugstore Mr. Boja drugstore Zawura drugstore bia ubenya bi wo Boako Madam Obakia drugstore Sankore Apau drugstore for 0248 928824 and 02010000021 3P garlic mixture and fully organic. Yaribia's room. I'ma look from when you call it.
Omandishie esen wakwampa ya fa susumi en customers nti apartment fi ura bank abaye bank ya dudu no age atomu abefo kwanya ya de mani sika ni nyina ye obi wa Express Automated Clearing House, Mobile Money Transfer, Apex Link iTransfer, and a Western Union. The branch is this way. You were electronic banking, so a 24/7 ATM services. Baby, any, Sashiba Kwai, Sashijunase, Asankragua, and the Dunkon of Fame. You switch bankers drafts and a SMS alert here. A man would yakos to our account to mono, and also come home. Apartment Fura Bank dear. Yansamu, you were easy loan products, and my bank my phone. Now less than 3 hours. Now we start count loan. About the third party and comprehensive insurance and so on. Bra apartment Fura Bank. There were 17 branches and more. Asankragwa, Aguamenfi, Sashijunasi, Sashioso, Sashibakwai, Sashaquantomra, Dunkon of Fen, Diaso, Babiani, Swamada Diaso, Yukwa Himai, Denchira Subin, Wasadrabo, Ajakamansu, Sashinzaura, Awasu, and a Fofra, and Swaba Sashi Asempane, and near Mediga, Nemfasu Boom, Embra Sikaso, your head office, our San Kwasu, Freyan 0243 116 966 and 0244 948 600 Afi 0549 040 570 Apartment Fi Rural Bank Yeni Mufretete Apartment Fi Rural Bank Yasumoda.
Yesi ebadia. Anti mami fufu 20 Ghana. Me pe fufu ne nkwan kwa. Sisi a sene Ghana akone de ya bonu 010. Meme wanu ni. Telecel de. Yenim so bia ne ne ope. Enu nti ne ya made for me bundle. Ya data ne call packages are F4. Ne ya ma won kwa. Made for me bundles. Send you we need ho. But *530# na top made for me bundles. Sisi a.
Telecel. Connecting energies.
Oh yes, and you Franco Trading Enterprise. Wait here, Wabama yengi now. And they young fuka and konkoto phone BM, young fuka and konkoto TV BM. Franco Trading Enterprise at the original Nokia phone, Samsung iPhone, original smart TV from 32 to 100 inches. Franco air condition, Franco Trading Enterprise at the fridge, chairs and ketua and yakasiye. Nina be at diaba, washing machine, microwave, blenders, generators, gas and electric stove. CCTV camera.
What na hore? Wabo Franco Trading. Kesa bahura ba fiti wo yese hiwa. Kesa yango foka ko. Yimboko ti yo leche Epran TV, mobile phone, washing machine, microwave, blenders, gas stove, yafe generator mo mboko ti dia. Nka bo di chef awon yichirara. Yo le Franco Trading Enterprise. Boya ya ka che phone papa fie. Kesa se hie ya ti jurapa.
Minua ba bia obenya nyoma papa ato. Eye Franco Trading Enterprise. Enei Franco Trading Enterprise. You was saying, you know, say, Yanni Ghana Cocoa Board and a board and him share. Over to your friend number 0202 608 858. Franco Trading Enterprise. Quality, not quantity.
0246 663560. And I said 0575
Yale ya anokwa obibenya wo ana efiri yale enti krodwo pan na yale atime abubu mi sei
olumai na dan e na ugina ha wo kasa
me dokota se me yale yi manya osa manya typhoid na ne afifiri me tokura de wo se ye kooko
na unte kwa me liberty herbal center na
kwa me liberty de wo de me kwai onkobo me pane
dabi e ho de ye de abibiduro e haba mani nubra e na sayare eni nti kwa wo se afifiri wutui ye betu ase kra de amount e bia na wo de ye typhoid malaria kooko osa e na afa oba wo fichikomo koye ana emma yie no nyina Kwame Liberty Herbal Center to ase o de ponso a obetu ne te edi ama
na Kwame Liberty ya wo kan na kira kwan ya wo he
na kira kwan ya yira kwan kra se hia wo so e na obehu doctor yi
ene fa no number ma me na me ya me nko ho
doctor number no enie 0249358035
Kwame Liberty
obaso bakon ya
abusia ma mensan emawo akwaba efawo emra jumede so ene adapai me wo former chairman of NDC so he also constituency chairman Kwaku Shaibu ewo menchama chairman good morning that is
nyame ademotpa
nice one chairman Kwaku Shaibu for the NDC representing the MPP this morning Yura Kwabena Musa over.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. You know what you say?
Yami adum.
Yeah, da yami asi.
Yeah, Ken what is it?
Ken what papa mrani wehi. Say ye wa wehi inti wa ma anyi na abro da kosola wote sin. Wote wazo. Nti campaign ye mieni sre. Na nedi da so eche nyame okufa ngudumde ko maken.
I see.
Me na mo ofa, matiche mo ofa la opera regional chairman. Regional vice chairman. Na chairman na land. Ani de bia wo pi. Okay. Yela ile vice to first vice, second vice. Okay.
Second
vice. Chabo me la metra.
Igbo Bechimo.
Echo region second vice and third vice.
Oh, that be no.
And our first vice.
First vice. But to no more.
Obokunya highest mba ye in that order. Chabo me la metra regional organizer. Na
sorry to only tell us when
many la so stress inji so stress na botiro check said ye let delegate boy ye be ba to some man until chebe to constituency election.
Okay, Musa
yes
na critical e working but Ken Olefants. Mingo Ramgo Jina, Mingo Pingundumbu. But me bude me research about my year. Second, Aban Bobeto, Sahe Biala to be ba ete MPP ne bia. Aha Ken Kokra win. But Abahede oyese. But Ken supporters ceremony. Mbode ma fame so ma to ase bia motemeda mo pibele vote.
Okay.
But the support no Baba support pin. Bele voting right.
Baba support bele voting right. Baba your campaign. Baba voting right.
Okay.
How you supporting? But Mr. Delegate boy be kwato.
Another poll be obaye boy enanjira mo koso ha koso oputu Kennedy ahead.
Yes.
Oh zero.
Nti anidaso me when anidaso
can corrine.
What winning man?
Amuche abato bobeto. Amuche eyamini, amuche melimu ahawa.
Yo
so kwako sister ebisamenia be wan
ofa boy kan what na wo boy kan na hura boy kan yebo ye likan simbo ye campaign man na ye nkureti ye te delegate
opponent dubi
what it true na ye nkureti ye te delegate obi delegate but you influence bell.
Okay.
You know me yabo ekure influence bell. You know me yabo
true. But see, me my support my politics man say. Amomiche, ngwanwa che kesa mu 31 years in year. Politics. Na amomiche. It's be ye nche bia like other MPPO NDCU me fa me so be say me toase. Na amomiche one because man nienu la che do na people for mu kroken
but believe vote
problem ni en iti ebrande musa
homework ni ye share ye yakini it is not over until it is over
you to kroken
but believe voting right
adrede en me research mo mbo den
aye
maye ewo
yeah e winche Baumia Kowine. Okay. All right. We chairman Kwakushabu ena wote kaone ne wafase Kwabena Musa ena ewa. Kwakushabu for the NDC ena Kwabena Musa so for the MPP. But ada pe yenhwere ni enkomo. Ana pe yasama edapono so ne edikan ampese nyina adwendwena ho Nansei ena otufo ede December 2 dwa efa boko ensem eho na sisi ni ababetu dwane say the Attorney General has charged Alhaji Seydou Abagri 78, a retired teacher, with charges involving acting as Boko Naba without qualification. Alhaji Abagri 78 has pleaded not guilty to the charges before the High Court presided over by Justice Alima Al-Alau Abdul Basit. Alhaji Abagri, who was arrested on December 24, 2025, pleaded not guilty after the Deputy Attorney General, Dr. Justice Semsai, read the brief facts to the court. The charges are acting as a chief without qualification, contrary to Section 63A of the Chieftaincy Act 2008, that is Act 759, provocation of riots, contrary to Section 200 of the Criminal Offence Act 1960, that is Act 29, offensive conduct conducive to breaches of the peace, contrary to Section 207 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29, and fighting with weapons, contrary to Section 203A of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, that is Act 29. But kobla ma memfam free ho na yenhwe Boko and some ene bebia yetumi aba abedru. Is this the way we should go as a nation?
Yo, video kaya so ba me fanchiama yatiefo nyina meda wasenso ne kronim boko ntokwa no yasimbia esese omanga na handle ni yie pa asem na nye no ehyasie corona time ehyasie na yeni omanya yefre ne Ghana na corona na yehye enye esifu ase ena santokwa no start ye but intime handle asem no matu ntwaye na nsen otumfuo abamu na wode ne nsusuye eye recommendations aban ne mfaso ne kura ni mini the details of recommendation but men kai say na prosecution ka ho fi se otumfuo ye say the recommendation nyina obaka ya mewiase nyina ate se de be ya enkoba se recommendation no abai na kataso nti okan all the points manti babia waka prosecution nukuranim ukọ boku sese ya eden se ubehia obi a woye typical mampurusini na anase ubesenhia obi a woye typical kusasini efise ya wareware yehu nti we papa ye mampurusini ni mame eye kusasini nti eye even very difficult to draw the line when eye kusasini when eye mampurusini cause intermarriage ni ntino eye difficult to find boku eye strategic town economically nyoma ekoso do anka di yedie ba timamufuo no ewo hodo na mu santokwai asai nyoma bebremenne dwakora yintimini why na opeso owu no akoho akodidwa me hu babia ntiase anya dwuma especially eya hensam na yedi kitikiti beka na to obetwa dabida metie otumfo recommendation ni bi na de okafa ye papa Alhaji Sedu Abagre metie wo masum ni se enam se mamprusi wura ena eyi Sedu Abagare as boko na bani ntino yema onre assign Sedu Abagre no to different role ana says Sedu Abagre so person what tra boko as private individual onyo hene ya yenye ne sa me hu se babia oman ni nam sese ya no etro paye because me wo ndamfo ne classmate ya ye kusasefo bebre sa na me nim mampurusifo nso a me ni bi mu ye very close na de ekoso no me nyi ni se ni yesese oman ne ye na ye ni sese ye from 24th ye chi Sedu Abagare no de ko share efiase ne babe ma wo ye ne ba panyin nko an ya ma na hu no ne lawyer kra ye ma ne nkode nchen na court ye charge no emo ne charge say wasem ni enu anko na ye de ne court all this why yes ye deny no bail na se woni ehofuo ni di nkomo ana mampurisifuo kusasifuo di nkomo obehu se asumdwe ni ho samri titiru mampurisifuo no bu afupa ye se denti ni yetiti Sedu Abagare ne sa oyo mo de hie e dey na stop the government from meeting mampurisi overload na yentrase nenen kasa yentrase ne yenkasam no minim se otumfu aye bi but asem no yenwieye still ye betimi asinkonya entisa na yesi ye beko ni sei ya sese ya one side ehun se abai na sole yetia no asopoto one side na eno ena ehunu eno
ena emma asumdue bokunto kwa dadadada to ntwa no politicization of the issue in bokono ena emma asem no ntwa no mesre o mampanyini his excellency Yewura John Dramani Mahama ebeye yia asem no yakan court wa anye o. This is not the first time asem na court o. Records wo ho from Nkrumah time nyina akwa akwa ade na ntwa media madwe ni se beye yi anka yenyi asem no kura free court still ado baba no yento aso emfa hu so otumfuo ede ne recommendation aba obetimi aboa abai no ene ahemfo bi mu aka gonja wura wo ho dagbon wura wo ho ene ahemfo nkese wo srem nanka yemmoa na yemfa ya no nka na legal battle no abai na starting sese ya enye no de be ende bo conflict no entisa anka ehunsa aka yekura ya metibi boku to kwasha ase na ye nwome anka ye beti ye na ya ba kwasem keke legally ye ntimi nwene peace ewo boku saa na se yesi ye de enhye ye de army military police ebe ya ye ntimi nwene peace wo ho me gidi se ano ne ano ya ene sese yeye ntimesu so mampanyini ebete media obeti asem ameka idea nka beka asem kura yenyi free court na bai ne ntwe ne hokura mfiri asem ni mu na ye hande mampanyin for prominent panyifo babi otumfu akadru no na nka yento aso yemfa ano ne ano enua ni nua na yenkasem no na enye brew emra no ya test ya mra no ntimi mfa somdwe ma saa na force so ntimi mfa somdwe ma ntimi nua kakra meka fa bo konsem hu no.
All right. My coach I'm kwakusha bu odon but ma memfase dem hama the bros phone service and pay wo mo ese bra na be do phone na hodo nyina phone bia pe bia oba wo mo bi wo mo e wo laptops wo mo e wo phone glass phone protectors phone covers na power banks ube hu no the bros phone se wo dwuna se boada ka bros ana so ho no mo from 0550981107 and 0543531524 the bros phone service or quality affordable phones and gadgets chairman.
Kwasi onso mechia wa no pay anopay die ma menchia yewura bigedu one na pamfo na menchia yewura Patrick Queen o ye kwanso sicha wono so na pamfo na menchia yewura Dominic Jesse adwumawura akola yisoa mechia no pa na machia yewura Kofi Bente afo Mr. Wankona bebi obi a mechia na kese one na MC omo bo adwuma nyame nka omo ho kwasi anopa we de mesere wa ye be mekoso but ma menka asem be 2 minutes bi emfa me ame party ho na me wi amekoso because bokon samsem no de some of us na na ye kan ana eja asem bi e wo ho because asem timi si bako badu yetimi obi timi nya ho wuo e wo Kumase obi timi nya ho wuo wo Accra enti o kan na wanye careful enti bo de ma men come mayi me party ho kwasi dia ho no se politics na ye nyina ye ba politics ye ba mu a check akra mpacho so wate ase na dia me pese me catch me am party for the say ye ma asumdue wo internal party you know ye ma ni hia ye me pa chop me pacho pa because baby ti say bibie ni se hwiyo so akontomra no kure se wo ye party ni bi bapa wo ye stronger na ye kase ye beji sa seat no kura na bi mu eda to kakra so na kwasi e ti se oba sabi Musa onyaba na bema bi aba na otimi ni no abenyem ama moma wo ba sana babia ni yoso ani akontomrate enti mesra ne enkankankankan bibiani mesada mesayam minyakotojo kura bebu asebia wo ho bia mo hwe no mo nsovo because we say kwasi bibiani body ya jifri exam 2004 ABC
Christopher
2024 how many years 20 years ena yetimi ya no ma yewura benefo age amaye etimi sire bibiani fo me sada me sayam asebia wo ho bia ya hwade yanka benefo ye nipa obetima na mo supporters no so ye nipa omo so betimi afom na me sire hwe jomama oyade die o jomama oyade die pa sai obi ase o jomama obone ho mode but ye di agura ya nhwe ya because kwasi jomama owini 9 constituencies ni nyina ho but ye lusu dade so MP so nda se sia ye kura 8 MPP fo kura baako eti ye sere ye manfo no me se ADC fo de wo ho bia ekoso bia no mumma yanka ne fi asem na wo ma menya eti so ma me kura ena sebi aboakra ma so mpa na dua de kura na onka se nkokọ meso so nko me sere me de mentehwe menso menkahwe entia obi a menka se we ya say na me sira pamuchau ye ba be kokọ elections eno na de nsem we nyina ba no ye be ko branch ye be ko constituency ni yakọ region ni yakọ national ye wia yakọ presidential ni wia yasakọ parliamentary mumma odo no enwo ho na media die hia me ni say kwaya ye fa so yaji babia ni yaji sabiyo so yaji akontomra se kwa bia so no ye mentedi ye sa city bia sa no ni ekwaje dade so ka ho ntimi sira asebia obia no momianka na ye supporters no ye tu ya no nareka na we ye sei ene we ye sei minia ye buy elections no ye dinkabom ene call elections na nyame ya domo a ye nya sa 3 seat no enti sa 3 seat na ye nya no me sira me manfo se nandisi fo me sira mo Musa enye nyina de benya positions ni bi o party enye obia de benya MP enye obia de benya MC enye obia de benya CEO enti eya abotre ye nya abotre party no ewo ho ma ye nyina sabu Musa ebi babako ebi mo bako ene ye dim eye train ebe furo nebi sane nebi so ekomanim timi sra ADC fo se me pamochau mumma sahioso bibiani akontomra yama sumdue ma benka sa sumdue no yama sumdue amma na ye mentally ye sit no ni ankwaje dade so nka ho medamase kwasi medamase so amam kwan de wo ho no se kwasi me eba mamprusi ne kosasefo ntokwa na ena na medi kan ka kire no me ka bia me very very careful mpacho so wati ase because anya hwekura ye nuanum bi eyayi because o kan na wan kan yi a obi a ye ko oboko etibisi wo East Legon etibisi wo Muntaka ho evra say asumase ebetibesi ba bia enti se dia minimia Musa Kwabena eya adwen ana mo fa Musa Kwabena ya adwen se eka asem na aba no me dia menkoa mesi Musa sadie bi ba ne be ye ADC MPP pe asde na sei na jinsamu because obi ampese e be defeat no enti sa to kwana da ho no me dia beka eka menkoa sadie nka asante hene na asem no kura no na me de babi kakra eye madwendwen ne se musa obu free edabu ho mo ba no we se mawene edi adobo teye
obi awone
because everybody say ese edipa na wo ho omudi asem no obi create betime leak information eti me sire me de ese na me sire na abrantie na ye di na tum no ye nkodi na asem ye di na ba bia beto no ye no eyemra me de kakra minim no enti de me sire ne se wo ya boni a ye fa ne mfa mra kwan so na so onye boni so dia ehu hia se ye ba ma ne sa punishment no because see ane na media musa ka se ye ti ha ye se obi se aba hubo mu aba na se anso no ti bi ma se adisi abanko anso na betra so forever sa adisi aba atra so na se aba bi so ba wo ba so no so be hwe se onu so ba kakofo obi di na kotum na ye panise ye ho abra ye hwe because se si akura ye kai abagiri o se ho ye kana se wo be hukura no na le papa bi kusasi ni ati say de ya yenua ayarega say de mama ya mamprusi ni le papa so ya kusasi ni nti o handler no wa hwani ye nti media kakra me pesa me kan say ye ya manyofo no ye hwehie na ya ntwe ho na ba bia ye de to a ebema bokuman no akonanim ama Ghana ma because ye nyina no Ghana scan yes say no because media mahuru bida ya say akure bi si
oh sure
masa avedi sika ye di we ye di ye mpuntuo no na avedi ye di ma soldier for ma o modi
ye di chop money
yes ye betra se ye se pempuntuo na bokufo no so mesra omo yesra se kwan bi obofa so a ye ka asudue beba no yan kama asudue mra na oman no enya ne ntoma famfra na boko mpuntuo so enkoso medase
mesomeda chairman Kwaku Shaibu ase ne nyina na anuanom no aka no sanse asem we ne ka no akwakwa yese kwesi na ntatwene no obo ani mu anye ye obo nche mu nso anye ye na pampa mu nso na be pai be wono so wanhwe ye nso a na akwakwa fasem nso ediaba medam ase pa na nyam nso maka but yentoa yensem no so na yenkonko pie mu ewo ne ekoso ewo Ridge Hospital na yemfa efa directive akwablem intaka no so ediaba yenhwe adwumadi a hospitals ahodo wo mu edi ewo na we or say the Ministry of Health has announced the plans to set up an investigative committee to probe revelations contained in a report by the Fourth Estate on the Greater Accra Regional Hospital Ridge. This follows the circulation of an investigative report by the Fourth Estate on social media, which alleges systemic practices at the Ridge Hospital that imposes undue financial and administrative burdens on patients seeking medical care. In a statement issued on Monday yesterday, January 19, the ministry described some of the issues raised as serious and deserving a thorough examination. The ministry expressed sympathy with the patients and relatives who may have been subjected to unprofessional conduct in any health facility across the country, reiterating the government's commitment to reducing the stress and financial burden patients face in accessing healthcare. Into Kwaku Shaibu, yenhwe the underlying word enfanko unprofessional conduct in any health facility across the country. Na yemfamra yesefia na yenhwe ya nurse for your health professionals unprofessional conduct. Mami Kwaku
kwasi asemo okaide asemo omu nkrofo a wo ka masem ya yenuanom ena mo pe mo pese mo koye anese fo a musa ezi ase ada bibiri bisa se edada ma bibi bisa se me ka se me grab ka me ka se bibi ase abema bi ko na bibi se masa na wo you know say o mo nursing training ma bibi so na brazil bi la bi o
Oh, I see.
Because if it's stress, I can't. And that's the Brazil. So, the American say, me pachewa, ye nu anomo anet for no. Me pachewa say, mo bre. Because it's a again, you say, mutiti fie. Aba 40 hwe se kwasi wa ma oba akonnesin training hwe sika twitwi bia obetua na obewie na obesa betra fie na obesa ma ne chop money na kakra nso na kwasi
okonya adwuma
na okonya adwuma ya
edwe
obekọ no mesi mobile phone no de musa ekuye yo me kabi bia se kwasi se wakodu anadwo na nurse din overnight na all head phone so na wakaje nse o me de patient bi aba me sero eja me ba wa nya botre ma me ye ma UK so me free so abe hardre na obi so ho tere no but enyo mu nyina me ntra hanka ntra mu se enyo mu nyina enetesa dabi wo yesa why mistake ba yesre ye nuanom we dey kwasi eya futuo ma ye nuanom mo tie yen o se kakra na wonya adwuma ya hunu se aban sika na wokọ akọje enti ya ina sebe se nye sebe kwasi obeba hospital nka wo nurse nka wonte ho mbato so tia se na kwasi na obeba hospital nurse ya fa wa ye dai sisi ambohwe kwasi nipa no kuya adwuma 6 months say o say oji steady le bu hu apẹ poa oji allowance uji we but kwasi we dey nuanom eya futuo wa wo benya adwuma ni bia ye no hunu say obi so wo standby say kwasi dia bia so dey say obo bi ketua bi you see ya call demonstration ya call strike ba kwasi ya patient odu bo ne kura call strike oye ye na hunu se wo so wo busua kwasi wuna si no so wo busua o ebia na wo busua wo asinfosu ebi wo nkran ebi wo baabi na yesi de sadi mu a enya ode ne bia asema ye kan we dey me kan mana kosi se yemfa ye nansi fom na ye hunu se uye bibi na wodum se ade bi so a ewo ho se nipa na ye bone kura no few nurses and the beka so mun defend ubo se nurses se wo Ghana nyina asori enso bia no mun nuano kura di for enso no mun nyina asori ni ya ni na ni ye ye ni na yin ntimi de kakra mesra ni se ye nuano anese for mun nyina ye mba no mu no mo ye adwuma nti ye sere se yenso yankwa ehyebunsem nti mu hunu se enu nti na muso makọ hu school na se mokoye ne saa na sebe kwasi enamuso na obi ehwere nkwa nyankopon ebia na onu wani ni yie kwasi kakra meka no
kola
yes
mamentio
mamen kase ukoye public hospitals no a no kuranim eya na yenuanom anesin fu ni bi omusuban no ene wo mo ne ye no eya na etan ibinum ene ye etan na sene ye me wo fa kan ye no nipa egu abontina ye nya adwuma ye no omdo so yiye pa o sebi enya nko na wakọ nursing training awie o obi awie tifi onya adwuma ni bi nye
nti sɛ nyame ya dom na ebi so a na nka wa ya manimunyam aka dwumakuo no a wakɔ ho no na nka wa ya ma enamonsa so na nimunyam abɛka institution no a wakɔ dwen no but unko ya de nunguase yebeba sisi ya enye reje honku extortion sika jeje unauthorized correction of money udu gente ani aji say udu gente sika utu nyina receipt nsumpo di so because sika bia utu receipt no so that say there is question mark before it na obia nu ho a wode ahodworo ekọ hospital obi bia obeba hospital so obepe yaresa na kire say bibi nkoyie na I know say omadwumam yetete won on the psychology behind the patient nti ya kire wawie wo na wode kwakoye adwuma no wo ye no wo apraya na obi a no ho dodo no ujojo no a afi kura na wote na koma obi a no ho adodo no wontimi nya no ma nyina ma ne nya normal efi se ni padua lankasa bibia simu a en function normally enti no waduru hospital ho enti you don't expect say patient bia be at normally sade tie bia wunya ne sa na nunti na yede wo quantity yase no enunti ene ye kire o sane patient suban sitie nti that alone should guide you in your actions and inactions. Nshushomu no a minister ma yenye na yeye na obi a obedi fo se wagi sika bi ehu hia wabo obi apo agi ni sika anane ne ye bi edi yafo bi akwa ho kire mu no asotwe se fatode se ye de ba no na no na be ma na yen hwoso na foforo nso asua bibia firim kwasi enya hwe no esai Ghana wu enya hwe no eni nti na kromfo mpa ye fie no obi ko wi akura yatiti madam nti anajo ni akotra se ni akoka wobra se yatwi ni palaso na obi nso ahu se okoye bi dia ye betwe waso
musa kawe asewde ma nurse ni bi nya asem menu me defend e wo be defend no me so meka ni aye na ndc ni MPP
it's bad
na ni pa no do wona asem no
it's very bad se beba sa enti me supporto sa committee no se yenkoye hwehwemu wo rich ho obi bia ni hu akom nipa bia obedi fo bibi hu no associate se fata ne yemfa ma no na besre se ministry no enye hihia amanfo betimi di complain akọ sanka yenya short code bi yenya line bi a wukọ public hospital na ye motriti wa immediately do wa frɛ no wa complain wo ye complain so omumra behwehwem sa asema o kan na ye no kra na ye no kra megidi se no so beboa pa yenya that complain unity no not limited to the hospital no awakọ no nemo outside say even the various regional head directorate and a district head directorate nimpo and the be two sana mo no a na che say se obi ko na ye jojo no na ye de ne fa kwambo ni bi so a na wanya kwan aye complain to the appropriate quarters na aboa ma yetimi atenetene ye ne oma wo ye institution mu eno beboa because obi a woyale e kire say body no nye normal bibi nkoyie nti sokodu hospital na ye ko jojo no ye di sika hunhuna no ama so woni sika de ye sese ye ma no ye nye ma no me wan so ente sa e ba sa na ye di ye ho awu nti ye be sere ye nuanom ye wo fase nom ye yirenom anesefo no ye nim se nyo mu nyina da bi enyo mu nyina kura ye be sere wo mu a ọma be from a yegu adwuma no anim ase de say ontu ohofo ansa na asotwe bi aba won so meda was
kwasi utibu say kwasi udibu say obi ubekọ hospital no wonu say obi anokasa nurse ni bi anokasa kra ma hu timi to
adi there was clinical psychologist wo hospital
na obi so anu obi anu asempti no etimi ma o
ya de no
control temperature control.
Oh, there is one nurse bi was you also government hospital. I mean boni din. Wabeye a friend to my family.
Yeah.
The way ya one handle a pinful. Or a hono ya juma. E fekeke. E fekeke. We say you also ya. E fekeke. There was such people was sister nimu. Na obi akoye bibi ama dimboni ayeden ebi akoka no. Nti mesre Ministry of Health. Ye establish a complaint unit. Enkrande ye kase ye nyina de complaint ko wa doso. At least you also head directorate. Ye wo complaint line. E dadwa obi anim. Wo kono obi tete wa na wa frɛ no aye complaint no. Yo mu ko hwehwemu na ba bia se ye teretere no ma no ya teretere at least every district head directorate na region no sunya ne de na eburu district ne so no na ye de akọ region because ye ntimi fa ni nyina ko gunkran eno beboa ama adumayefo anye nursefo nko mo ye aduma hospitals nyina so ahu se said ye wo ye no wa nhwe ni yi a ubenya asem
me de me ba okwo asafo kwasi na me duru ho no manyi me hu adi na ma ba ko ewo ho nti obi na chama na dwie na so me ba masa sidi omu si hwe me ba no nti eya na mbisa me ho se nti masa nti se
enye din chairman ne ko
eya bi do mo ya mbisa na e ho to emergency nti me so woni mbisa me pass na mbisa ma me se nti ha sidi omu si aye sisi amama hu because me ka bi o de ko friend doctor no ba ye no na mbisa ma me no so me mu de me ba ha de omo wa ha no in fact omo bo homo de na o say omo ba omo ho be bre so ye omo ye school
omo be ye clinicals
yeah nti e bia ye bo mpa ye say omo nya enwie school no omo wie school a omo masuba no enye se de atie na kwasi me da wase
me so minimum obi ono so akọ hospital bi a owo hospital hodom yemfa ne se waba ye premises mu ase owo ha a ye odi obi aba ye hwe no na owo aka no e wa ha
hey
ewo hospital hospital
owo no kan wie no hospital ni treat no ma ono na san tua ne kan
how and na moso na wonu akwa kopira no wonu san fa wa ho ka
our hospital
kwasi we dey science
our
hospital should take the charge
yeah
what was our bedi ya sada wodamu owo aba be kanwa
e bia mo hokurafu
into the yan share the ward hospital ward
what next hospital ward it is
because I say you around the
no owo abeka no
say around because
just asem wo ho
because what do
no ma to you be ye dey na wo ko pie hospital nti so wo ko pie hospital that let us asem wo
pie hospital ward
and your mama
ka obi wo
yes owo the car no wie no hospital no ehwe nipa no esan ema nipa no etua
na ese nipa ni tua ese hospital na efa saka because omo adwuma omo ye no ye ni yi anka owo me pie wo
yes we are be catch us say wan tua ye
and I saw one so aka one kaso I am shishi
ye kaso for scabula farmer
but it's unfair it's not fair say wo obi aba hospital so beji yaresa na wo hospital mu o watimi abeka obi wo shodo aso beji wo sika
nipa me kana se
so wo na wo ye wo
nipa no wodwina ase hospital ko da me pese me body
yes na je say hospital no e ba sanitation ni ayi cleanliness ni suna
you say abibi for ye mo po no fi say ubetimi da say mo edi buru ni
dabi
odu be court
ofa nko court sen
e besa meti he
you know, because we necessarily yes summer hospital.
Yes.
Correct. As I say yes summer hospital no, I didn't think about hospital. Or what become hospital them go. We are Madura was in Central Casa. Yes. As a hospital.
Because say oh my God, the lawyer. If you are to 70. Because where's a lawyer be now? Ohando.
Yeah.
What lawyer be a man? Yes, Massa. I same say na to me. No, we say abroche be a lawyer be only free.
Person miss ka ubet me colleague age.
Massa Jai. Meko.
Enye free.
Me se meko.
Meko order ba me dey be so mo o so.
Be a se be o ka koro. Na se me ka ko.
Yo.
Eddie.
Shame.
Which is the extortion, the corruption, everywhere.
Everywhere. What's up? You know, can't you say, no, or started, or no, Jai, no, I can say, your friend saying, your politics, women in a pet. Oh, let me say, tell you, politicians, but who call a Juman Muankasa. Or more among politicians, no. Na politician ebia make say friend say we be call this assembly kwa na head of your politician
Dominic
Jesse
this year na MC
onko a o mama kan so na me share enso ye ma ye ni nya den enko ho eno na make say assembly so ba na me ni musa be gina na ye na NDC MPP na nipa na fa no ho adi
Kwakusha me da se arapa accident koma Dawood Herbal Center womo edo mo product na abadwa so wunya Dawood 360 na wo memene na wo de Dawood ointment etwitwia sasabro sisi yare ahotutuo ni nyina away na wunya Dawood Herbal mixture na wonom so dia ne nanum ato ontumi de malaria how ulcer ni nyina no away etu kwa drugstore bi mo so pe Dawood phone no bi sebeka bi ba bi eton odro bi afre 0244885437 na 0201681717 ofra Dawood for beji so ama won so won saka wo no bi wonyami akwakoton sara so na abofra do control so hede wantwa opeso otro do foforo fa no ko Smart Effort College e wo so ma krom wo mo ese abofra no Okokotron so here na wantwa no nti obeye remedial say ye wasi anan of deck o de don't worry fa no bra ye dem befa tetiem ama ono so otumi atwa so oye SJ students nkradia manemra ye programs which is general science, general arts, agriculture science, business, home economics, visual arts and technical subjects ni na ye chere ye wo edan e wo hodma de ma mom frichichi ne benche e bai na school assign eje eye mofra basic level eye crèche ekokosi eye class 4 school no ewo eye so macrom womo ewo womo ka womo form of fra efri efie edo womo ko school esedo womo free school eba fie bia enka na Grace Preparatory School ewo na honum na Smart Effort College ewo frɛ 0541639371 0243112806 Smart Effort College also just be smart and we will put in our effort. KIT Solutions SA wo laptop na what to chima fabra yensesi ema wo phone what to chima fabra yensesi ema wo pe phone so na ato wo de fa na nyina ebra wo benya bi ewo ya so ato so ope iPhone ope Samsung ope Infinix Tecno phone be na ope for the chima ewo juna se GPIT abosa no ye ne eye Malcolm na edi anum hwe esoro ho a na ye wo ye ben big brain freke ewo 0245404140 Ken Roses Hotel a honum na ye ahohoje ewo a well yes we ye ho no aba no fa no kobia ye betreat ye beji no ya siesie ni namu atumi aye kama e de ama no enti wo pe eye biapa ama hoho adade a eye Ken Roses Hotel ye wo car park ye wo restaurant ye wo bar ye seven nuane ahodo no nyina bi se local ne continental ye ne nyina ope pizza ye bi honum ebia na event bi na wo ye pese ye nuane edmo ye be ye ediama if opia occasional packages bi na pese ye to say food basket and as a birthday packages ye ne nyina se si anso de ye se akonya eda homa obi a opa adwuma so person wo chef uya obi so awotumi no aduane wo person wo so wo ye waiters and as a waitress therefore ni echemu ewo eye Ken Roses Hotel ye fankrofo fra 0246117969 and 0270034972 anapay Pure Herbal Products about Jaso Pure Health and omo edebaye ope Kankam Bitters Kankam Tire Stop Mixture Kankam Cold Capsules Kankam Ointment ne nyina no efri Pure Health Clinic for asye Dr. Kankam ena da wo manu a wo monroi abusu ewo bia ye to wadro bia enu ti ko na onso ko gibi and after Dr. Kankam ewo 0246710712 and 0274506976 anapay ma yentua yensem eswe na mensan enko yewura kwabda musa na memfa wi enkonko free no honom na yentua enkomo no so ewo ho na kwabla we de anapi manfa nka o topics no ho ama bad ma memfa emfiri ho na yenni nkomo emfa ho oze members of pressure group Arise Ghana this morning January 20, 2026 staged a picket at the United States Embassy in Accra, demanding the return of former Minister of Finance Ken Ofori-Atta to Ghana to face justice. The protesters, who gathered outside the embassy premises, called on U.S. authorities to cooperate with Ghanaian institutions to ensure Mr. Ofori-Atta's return, insisting that accountability must be enforced without exception. Kobla. And then I can Ofori-Atta yedne kokoto no.
Matise ne kokoto US.
Yeah. And
I mean kase Ken Ofori-Atta sem no. Ye betimi atena Ghana aye hu dede bia ye pe. Ne mum ye mra e na obetimi afa so atwe no. O mamu ni nyina pe ayenye demonstration. Se ye ni mra so a enma ne machina. Omo ye sa demonstration no. Ye wo ye ma me sedinam. A court adi na sem ha buya no fo 10 years in jail. What America ade na ye mi sase on ye mfa ne mra.
Ono so ono so be court china.
Ono so be court no because ono so o machi no America.
Yes, ono so be court china.
Nti Ghana fo no ete ha no. On ye di na asem awiu enya fe ne ye beka na asem. Aden ne yenka se ye mfa ne mra. Ana wo political lens nti ana. Let us be fair. Yenye fair to every individual. Nti na Ghana mra se court nkoa ne wotumi ekasa asumasi wei wo ye kronfo asumasi wei wadi sika asumasi wei wadi awu ye de charge bonu a wo ye suspect obi bia wo be ye dwuma maban empo ankura dwuma wo wasudie se nkontabuo ebeba dwuma no a wo ye yenimu say yankura dwuma na wo ye mpa you are accountable to your employer. Nti se ube state officer and a government official, you are accountable to Ghanaians. But and say yebe jampo na ya fro bi wo kronfo because you susu se wawia. No, that is unfair. Court nkwa na wo nkwan. Me Ofori-Atta wodi the minister man call the ministry holder. So assembly anu anya kwabra musa de beyi ano. But adenti ni yempese yebeye fair. Papa ya de na kokoto. Ofori-Atta ya de na kokoto ana. Ye more ne charge mfa ne kokoto. And that is why the OSP Russia wo declare unwanted ni nyina anya duma because they didn't follow the due process of the law. I say ye ya dia manipa bia boya baso. Edi obi a wosu ni mmra
famra be ya adwuma wo pese wo ye na manfo abonten na wo ye hu asembe na ye de akokoto ama OSP no kura di bimda mbrado wo suo ni nyina asembe no akodi bi da wo court oba ye akodi bi mu court da. Let's follow the due process and respect the individual's human right. Say no krese kenofoliata afa o man sika me ka hu bi sika ka hu bi wodie ka hu bi ese ye nyina ye gye na mmom obi eni na semu ya ne fo nti wadu yi condemn him. So kenofoliata di sika me ko bremu sa metra ha me justify because the money in says kado me madie wo mu bi so bi die wo mu bi. But until say court be prove no, I have no justification to say wa for man sika. E kwa mbe da me fa so approve so for man sika. E dey na tell so for man sika. Nti we can do all the demonstration in Ghana, but if you don't follow the due process, America mo jimradi o. Enti say Ghana mra no a ye apraya da ye hwehwanim selectivity. Yes, selectivity we ni atwusu we ni selectivity we ni atwusu we. Enti na mi bisa say obi on de court we di na semama ye buya no fo. Watch America. Have Ghanaians demonstrated say yemfa dem na ni o metwa ni J terms no ana. No obi a ye mo ni charge yemfa ni court ono da ye ni apre so den. Adenti ni empesi ebedi mnaso. Adenti ni empesi ebedi mnaso. Enti sa dede nu a yebe kwa embassy hu akwakoyo no ensesa hwe. Dede nu eye no yebe kwakoyo no American embassy no enye no na de pressure beto Trump so ama Trump akase Ghana for 2020 monyim nipa. That he will not do that. He will not do that. Cause krom ho no omotie no omode mmara no enyiyim enu nti na wo overstay ne visa no yache no Ghana ahoho ahwan na obi kura wa visa stay permit kura ye wobi ya ye futu fry uhun Ghana ni uhun hoho but ho de mmara ye adwuma nti ye wo futu bi a ye mfa ma ye mpanyufo se wo monfa mna kwan so na ne esese obeyi na no bia no onyi na no na enya hunuhuna enya mempre enya survival of the fittest de wo mu Davida ye de mra na di ye adwuma rule of law na ye de ye adwuma nti enya mebo asem Dabi. Let us be fair to every individual. Ye bo obi kwa dua until say court be di na asem abuya no fo no. Ye ntimi nka say nipa didi fo. Nti why don't you want to follow the due process? Na ye condemn. Ye kasa wo condemn ana ye kokasa nipa didi bi ma. Condemnation na wo ye na mfaso be ne baso. Ana tripo ben adwene ben na etechire nti a wo condemn nipa no. So let's be fair.
Koramidase chairman
miria me wo fa se kwa musa wakasa bebre na yetia ne se woni MPP for kasa na said now tamakru wonu mpodi ye dinasem ema wonu mpodi ye sisia no ya man judgment ni ade musa so de ofuriata kototo ye friend say said nam tamakro ye maslok siwa na wo de I say wo de chale compare shoe kwasi ansere na asampa na make atro do me say wo de said nam tamakro e ko compare ye friend say overiata that is say wo de chale wote e compare shoe Sanders impodi say beg so de me share no na media kakra me person me kan say because mo dinasem ema yabuya ne say mama said na tamakulu ono so obekọ court no bi media on dey say dinasem media me say ye wuro foriata wo dey bra Ghana Bragana
osi onya obeba na senia mo besi a handle no eno ho asem na odwena
hwe yetu o ma wem president Kofo e baaye no wonu se ne Saudi uhuri papa bi ana ye frɛ no friend say Victor Solomon so no so say bia obaaye ye de kwoto nsawam o ye de wahu so ono so ye nipa
ntimu pese mu kun
ye friend say ye wura chachuchi kata ifa ne yakɔche no wakɔ asɔre kwasi ada asɔre dem ho ne yakɔche no MPP time president Kofo time no bi oye dia bone na waye wo ba ye ba handle said me ena America no tabia ye kase ye ma wadwuma na wo ya ye ni yie na dachi wo bebu hu konta ye de na ye friends ye gu awiam no ye gu awiam no ye de ye nka ho mo amote ayi canopy na se no na ye say o ye adwuma hwe ho yie because I did the same for the Atana. On one case, the MPC class here in free war. No one homoding. So, Bekaya MPC bed, your horse say, a mumpeno. You go for the Ate. What do you bra? Hey, now, so the Abaya Kako, the finance minister. Not then one go fear Kodia Bushapagri.
Charges in your shoes, Rosaviano.
Hey, now, so that no the way I'm more. Once, I come pepra mo. Oba ko prison. Kwam pepra. Finance minister, one ko prison. One ko tell the JT mama. Hey, ene ma mo se mo lawyers bebre no. Se mo lawyers, wo de omra. Ye be say America crowd of person ko fa the lawyer. Ye be man kwa man ko fa lawyer America. Hey, Kwasi. What did you man for bondo? Obi akọ pension. Wajani sika oso ne kwa akoto bond waji sika no ema sesi o pebi kura de to duro anum obi wo sabi diabetes obi wo pressure obi wo sei sakrofo ni bi kura akwasi so nu se biewu o mu se nkom sika be biewu na wo de wu a wo de nipa ye ba handle sei ni se o pese ye ni dai Kwasi mi bi sa asem se o pese ya de dey dabi mi pese dabi minim
ebi o pese oba mo krokro no me
oba ye be ma na kotra friends Jubilee House ye be ma na ye kama because onu de oye nipa si no bia onu de oye Ghana ni si no bia nso onu de oba ye be kwa ba bia friends ye wura mahama oteno e hokra ne be ma na atena ansa ne ye gina court because what dey say orient touch no because ni nua your friends onu ani nua nanado oso on touch no onu an pipi fo kai ansa na ye yi na free ho na dey adu se bra court a na musa aka no sabe ye se bra court a enche se udi fo na ti mo fa ateti mu ewu ye no o dey o se do mo. Oh, what you bra? Me say, Yawra Oforiata. Me say the from your Belgian airport. So who are America or Ukraine from your Belgian airport?
Hey,
Yabanfango vie. Oh massa. Adai. Uko very passing obi. Yet you ma wemu. Ye ba Fourth Republic. What's so be a finance minister? Adanida. Kwasi botu abakọ kwa mpepere okodamu oni ni deputy Victor Solomon omukodamu yewra kojo banredu wabakọ setepe wabakọ yewra atofose waba na wudi ititama na yede atofose mu kokoto no na wudi osino mu uba no washo white na uba parliament aba be ma your friends say any budget abeto no na uba na wayi friends uba bukura no se na usuro bibi se unya kupon ho nyame sabe wo bra papa na wo de bible bata ho a me si nyame bejew Kwasi etu onu de omra eba de o twedi no mu tai obeba eti wo de say dinam tamakro master of boss onu so nya Ghana ni o so ba o masa ye twen media me say media musa kwabra mamu fa say dinam tamakro enkototo ya friend say yewura oforiata sisa wo di chale compare
Kogumesi abafo. But before I make a crab now, be on my faster than from my Recover Construction and Trading. One must who sit down a dance here when near the fanning number dine woman. One must say a ton or so. One more branches in the be our Penal Club, Arium. You will be a Takwa, you will be a Cast Town Junction. Sell per cement, sell per plumbing materials, POP cement, tiles. A day and a fat the NC one would do any actually more our Recover Construction and Trading what ton of so once anchor. Saranso and nana pay Queen Elizabeth supermarket in the wholesale any retail shop in our mobi. Queen Elizabeth hotel supermarket. Your wholesale branch and your retail branch. Your wholesale branch na ewo Junase GPRTU station one you also taxi rank and as a Boako taxi rank a honum and a yewo. Ubetuna be two near money be ho akogugu shop mu. Saranso and out when echere a upper Amenville bank no nechi a honum and a Queen Elizabeth supermarket. Your retail shop no ewo ubetuna be tot near money be ho e de akogu fie wadi no ho. Anunti bra na also bibia wo hia ewo yaso e bia de ma won saka. Yes, I ever hojibia aya to the Queen Elizabeth Hotel. A honum de Obiaja to say, who also ya and ewo may come for Eddie Mawo and Obusiano now for any homo a babes shrouding in a said beya Obia and Belgian Quadia for no Queen Elizabeth Hotel. 24/7 we are opened. There was security. Oh, honum, yes, answer was spacious car park. Freying 0244 878466 and 0534 212702. Kobla mamitio
mamen kase obi bia MPP abamu yedi ni ko jail court ni di nasem ene odi fo nti no ko jail yewura Victor Sarami o ko jail ko court di nasem ebu ni fo sana kwa me pepra court di nasem ebu ni fo obie ni wa obu ni yebu a won fo wa bonten wo mra na omko court nti ene yedi won kotu mu rule of law no ayeka no ene no former finance minister papa ise Kenufori ata se o ma ye wo legal process o man betim ya faso amawaba. Have you exhausted that process now? Have you exhausted that process? Now that selectivity, select and choose. Ye we judicial system no. And say wo man. Current finance minister no nyina court. Na sem na court. E wo akura bi okoto ye say eye ambulance. What the Ghana for? Okohwie ye sika guye. Edia ina current administration ye discharge abai so we interested in the case. Alaji Collins Daudamu obuye nipa Kenufori ata na obuye nipa Kenufori ata Dr. Puni Swedi Agongo obuye Ghana for Kenufori ata omudi oma simple wo court abayin by was attorney general say former minister of finance no say governor Bank of Ghana governor yewura Dr. Kwabradofo abayin say sika no abetua bi nti waja no. So these people no mo so special nti yenja won yo on the omukọ court mpo enyeyi me say me Kwabramusa me defend Kenufori ata se wa ye bone a onte se ye be prove se wa ye bone no ye condemnation na hunhuna no ye hunhuna no emfa bibia ma enkosi aga adenti ni enkokot ye betimi astadati obi wo mra ye ka nasem ye fa ni court ye more ni charge bia ye that process was fraud. Until the special prosecutor and you're successful. what trigger Interpol red alert in Yamana and Yajumano? He didn't follow the rule of law. Enti ekwan bi aban no wakwanya bia se kenofoliata yesusu se waye djurum bia ye wo hu akwanya betimi afa mra kwan so ama wa bagana na enye hunuhuna NDC fu anu mu gina court wa yegia wo nyina omo de omo ye so special omo ye Ghana fo chen ye nyina omo ye Ghana fo chen Ghana fo nyina nti omo de sika ye de yensa bom yesusu se ye de yensa bom no aban se woni hu asem ehu hia no na emu ndi oye MPP no ehu hia no enti no obi oye NDC ni e wadi sika court wa di dasem ye buya no fo andi aban no ehu hia no se ye mfa de mra no metwa no dey times no na mu Kenofoliata ye MPP nti ye mfa ne mra na sane awia ye no sa na nsuo be ye
yo kwasi
go
dia tie de se minu ya musa mo office musa wakasa bebre mpacho so te ase o kan se bi se ye ja Collins Dauda ye jai friend say ye wura finance minister atofo sebo sebi omo nyane o omo tena Ghana omo tena Ghana kwasi me say omo nyane omo tena Ghana me ye di o masem mudi ye friend say Collins Dauda mo ni atofo omo tena fesi law no omo nko tena ba bi na media ye friend say special prosecutor you okay why na dey buy media ye friend say special prosecutor you okay why na dey buy what am dey buy say when modry here say modry am say money ba be ha am dey buy say when modry here say modry am say money ba be ha ayi friend say NDC for ba auto ball bodan ya e sabe wangles also etika special prosecutor kan mpo no say Kenofoliata di mirikaba say odi na maye na masa wo de wodwane say di na say tabakulu kra na weekend say already obeja office law no wo de bra de be ya bia no de bra na so be face law no because wo wan kasa wo mi say wundi for dia wo de bra eh ya che bi wo sorry dem no de na omo de nya tete Rambo Star tachuchi kata mo de e che omo de na nya tete wo de wa nya ho wo ti wona bag boy chi na wiki babu ne ayi event say apotonsu hwa ya tra ho me say oya dai no ba so a o mechirechirem no chirechirem a oya dai a obekofie atete be ne ade ufam atete be ne ade ufam yetimi ka tro obi say MPP vote mi ka kire don't wo ta Jati kwesi yesi adichie bia omra court obi a oye MP ma particular constituency na wo de okoja wo say ya betete me wo de ade se ka wo na obedi finance minister na tube wo fi say odi ko na nka odi ya na no ano no because no budget nyina ya mu say ba obi aba we ne na so di mfie nwotwe na mo ba na mbeja na fine but ye nya no nu say ondi fo a omra na ye ndi na asem odi